Hey champions, commandos, the most awaited session, my friends. We all grade up gate team is here, my friends, to bring you solution. Of course, the morning shift people, the students who are giving in the afternoon, they have not come out of. Yes, I know that my friends, they will be coming out of in just 5-10 minutes, and we'll be starting uploading the questions for you. So for those students who will be giving the exam in the afternoon shift, so they will have an idea. So what is the percentage of NAT, what is the percentage of MSQ, what is the percentage of MSQ, so they can be benefited from that, so they can make a mindset according to that. So just after 15 to 20 minutes, might be even less if people come outside, so we'll be getting you the questions. Please just let me know in the comment section, are you excited for this session, my friends? Everybody, okay.
Hello, good morning everyone. आज अभी सारी टीम अवेलेबल है और आप लोग के जितने भी एग्जाम करने के बाद में जो एनालिसिस पार्ट है, जो बच्चे एग्जाम देने जाने वाले हैं, स्पेशली उनके लिए वी आर वेरी मच रेडी कि हम आपको वो प्रोवाइड कर सकें जिससे आपको हेल्प हो. बस थोड़े वक्त की बात है, 15 मिनट के अंदर वी विल बी गिविंग यू ऑल द काइंड ऑफ एनालिसिस व्हाट एवर यू आर एक्चुअली इन नीड ऑफ दैट. सो
जैसे कि वो ऐसा होता है ना कि लड़ाई के लिए जा रहे होते हैं तो अपने तलवार पूरा एकदम पैना कर लेते हैं, शार्प कर लेते हैं. लाइक दैट माय फ्रेंड्स, वी आर ऑल रेडी, ऑल कमांडोज, विद आवर कैलकुलेटर, विद आवर रफ शीट, विद एवरीथिंग वी आर रेडी, माय फ्रेंड्स. एंड माय चैंपियंस विल बी गिविंग यू द सॉल्यूशन, द ऑथेंटिक एंड द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट सॉल्यूशन ऑन द बेस ऑफ मेमोरी बेस, फास्टेस्ट, माय फ्रेंड्स. एंड होल टीम इज वर्किंग फ्रॉम लास्ट नाइट फॉर that we can provide you solution faster, accurate, so that the people will be getting benefited. And soon the morning shift will be coming out, and my champions will connect with somebody and ask what is his experience, so that you can get so we'll be planning a meeting with that those students or people, so they can tell that what is their experience, what is the ratio of MSQ, because MSQ is new this time. Na, over to you, sir.
Yes, guys. So how is the Josh for your second slot? See, sir, many of them are second slot also. And yes, they are looking for the best wishes. So let me start with definitely my and the grade up team's best wishes for you guys. And we are very soon going to start the discussions. The people are just, guys, let's see, time is around 12:37. So we are maybe in another 5 minutes. The students are going to come out of the exam hall and we are going to have the live interaction with them. That will give you the clear idea ki what was the most important thing, MSQ. Okay. See, I don't know. I am not telling that you are going to study MSQ now, but at least, you know, second shift people, those who are going to enter the exam hall, they will have at least mindset. Okay, how many MSQ, so how many should I touch right now? How many should I not touch right now? All right, guys, so it will be a very important analysis for you. And not only for the second slot, those who are coming out of the first slot, okay, those who are about to come, ये लोग अभी वो लोग मेरी बात सुन नहीं रहे होंगे, लेकिन you know, for them also it is going to be beneficial कि what is the answer, कि we are not only going to bring the analysis, but the whole team is ready to get the perfect exact solutions as soon as possible for you. So what was the answer key, how to solve that, everything will be shared so that you also get the clear idea कि how I have attempted my GATE examination. So it's going to be, you know, and even for GATE 22 aspirants, sir, जो लोग next year की तैयारी में लगे हुए हैं, तो यार, you know, you should know the ground reality कि after this new pattern introduced by IIT Bombay, how the level of the paper was and how should I shape my preparation accordingly, guys. So come on, the wait is about to be over. We are live and students are also going to come live in another 5 minutes or so.
Okay, Remo is saying I heard 30 marks are MSQ. Reno, it is too early to comment. Okay, it is too early to comment. Just let the people come outside and we'll be having a call or video call with them, and they will give you.
If it is so, it is expected because, you know, almost one third IIT.
Might be, can't predict.
One third ये मैंने क्लासेस में बोला भी था उनको.
और कुछ भी आए MSQ ज्यादा है कम है, it will be for everybody ना. Competition exam is relative performance, guys. If exam comes hard, lengthy, calculated, that is for everybody. Okay, sir, you want to say something?
So hello everybody, I hope आप सब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे. So guys, in just few moments, firstly we are going to talk about what was the difficulty level and what kind of questions are coming, what are the weightage of all the type of questions like NAT, MSQ and MSQ, which is the most, I think, the most asked question. How many MSQ are gonna come? So you are going to get the actual, just see, Abhinav sir, I've got the call also from the student and you are going to get the exact idea. And also just after that,
everybody, news update that a student is with us in phone call from Bombay. He's saying that MSQ are very less. Exactly, we'll telling you, confirming more than us. But for people, for afternoon students, MSQ are very less.
Full power share.
If you remember, I told you, right, how the NAT questions were supposed to come. कम मार्क्स के लिए आता था ना NAT भी, MSQ भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे. इनफैक्ट मैं ये भी बोला था, आप लोगों को याद होगा, फॉर द स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्रिपेयर द MSQ क्वेश्चन. एंड इवन दो इफ दे विल prepare the MSQ MSQ question, it will take lot of time because you have to justify each and every answer, each and every option. So that is not going to happen. That more MSQ questions will be coming, right?
Okay. Everybody, just my champions. One of my student, Nimesh Pandey. He is from our paid course, Vision course. Okay, so I have taught him 4 to 5 subjects, and we have taught him all subjects, all faculty. So I will be making him in speakerphone and let him ask what was his experience. So hello Nimesh, how was your paper? You are live on the YouTube, yaar.
Hello sir, hello. Sir, paper was not that tough. It was easy paper.
Okay.
And और सर MSQ कम ही थे, 7-8 ही होंगे और सर हिंदी में भी इंग्लिश में
कैसे भी whatever you are comfortable, we can translate for you, yaar. You are our champion. Okay, everybody listen. I hope your Nimesh Pandey's voice is audible to all of you. Please write on the comment box. Is it audible? Is it audible? Okay, MSQs less. और किस सब्जेक्ट से ज्यादा या कम आया था?
एप्टीट्यूड सर बहुत इजी आया था.
Aptitude is easy, guys. I'm repeating. Aptitude is very easy, यार. Okay.
एक बात बोलना.
और मतलब वही वो मिरर भी ये सब करने के लिए आया था.
So other faculty will go for solution.
Okay, okay.
And और बाकी जी सॉइल मैकेनिक्स में से कुछ क्वेश्चन तो स्वीडिश वो सब पे थे.
Okay.
और बस और मैं बोलूँगा अभी पेपर
सॉइल मैकेनिक्स से स्लोप स्टेबिलिटी से आया था. और एनईटी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाले क्वेश्चन कितने थे, ज्यादा कम पिछली बार के कंपैरिजन में? मतलब 25% से ज्यादा थे, कम थे? क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ कि गेट आफ्टर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग एनईटी एवरी ईयर इट इज इंक्रीजिंग द परसेंटेज ऑफ एनईटी.
सर फर्स्ट ईयर इट वाज वेरी लेस
एनईटी ज्यादा था सर.
एनईटी ज्यादा थे भाई, एनईटी और मोर. एंड इफ यू आर आल्सो हैविंग सम क्वेश्चन प्लीज आस्क ऑन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम निमेश.
आए हुए थे.
ओके, सो आई होप जो हम लोगों ने आपको पाया वो आपको हेल्पफुल रहा हो काफी.
हाँ सर.
ओके, सी इज हेल्पफुल था. ओके, सो ऑल वर थिंग फ्रॉम क्लास नोट्स.
हेल्पफुल था तो सेकंड सेशन वालों के लिए भी हेल्पफुल रहेगा. तो स्टे मोटिवेटेड एंड गो विद द पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑन ड्राइव कि आप लोग भी सब सेकंड स्लॉट में एग्जाम को फोड़ के आने वाले हो.
ओके, अभी तक की मैं हाईलाइट बता दूं सारे बच्चों को. MSQ वर लेस, एनईटी वर मोर. कितने लेस थे? 5, 2, 1 वो बता देंगे आपको. और एप्टीट्यूड वाज इजी. और एनी मोर क्वेश्चन इफ यू वांट टू आस्क यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, और किस सुम से कौन कौन से टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन आए थे अगर आप बच्चों को बता पाओ तो?
टॉम का वो ये सब में था सर. शेयर स्ट्रेंथ वो सब निकालने के लिए. अरे शेयर स्ट्रेस होता है ना अपना.
ओके ओके.
जैसे कुछ भी एक ये दिया था, एक डायग्राम था XY प्लेन पे और उसको बोला रोटेट कर दिया है इतने डिग्री पे, तो उसमें वो शेयर स्ट्रेस वो सब निकालने के लिए बोला था.
ओके ओके. वो जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस होता है ना, कि किसी प्लेन पे स्ट्रेस दे रखा होता है और किसी अन्य प्लेन पे स्ट्रेस निकालने के लिए पूछा था, वो इक्वेशन की मदद से करना था. अच्छा, और कोई ऐसा सब्जेक्ट जिससे एकदम ही क्वेश्चन ना आया हो? फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स या स्टील, ऐसा कुछ? स्टील से प्लास्टिक से क्वेश्चन आया था क्या निमेश?
स्टील से आया था सर. वो बोल्ट के ऊपर आया था.
ओके.
मतलब वो अपन नेट फोर्स निकालते हैं ना, बोल्ट के ऊपर कितना रहेगा अगर ब्रैकेट प्लेट पे अगर लोड लग रहा है तो.
ओके ओके.
वो एक क्वेश्चन आया था.
ओके, बोल्ट से स्टील में.
प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस से नहीं आया था एक भी.
ओके, प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस से देयर वर नो क्वेश्चन बट इट माइट कम इन सेकंड शिफ्ट. एंड स्टील के लिए बोल्ट से क्वेश्चन आया था. और मैथ्स के कौन कौन से टॉपिक से आए थे?
मैथ्स के वो सिम्पसन्स रूल, ट्रेपेजॉइडल रूल आया था.
एक्सपेक्टेड बिल्कुल.
ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन का एक था वॉल्यूम का.
ओके.
बेसिक था, मतलब 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था. वो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, आंसर सीधा दिया मैंने.
ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन का था, वॉल्यूम का, और सिम्पसन और ट्रेपेजॉइडल.
रैंक निकालने के लिए आया था.
मैट्रिक्स रैंक. ओके.
हाँ. और
क्या पेपर कैसा था? मतलब
एप्टीट्यूड में से स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन आया.
हाँ, स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड का था. वो ये मिरर इमेजेस सबका आया था.
मिरर इमेजेस बहुत बढ़िया. इतने अच्छे से यूट्यूब पे सर मिरर इमेजेस भी कवर था.
ट्रायंगल का बोला मिरर इमेज क्या होगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ओके, मिरर इमेज का क्वेश्चन एप्टीट्यूड. एंड प्लीज कम ऑन यार गाइस, जस्ट शेयर द सेशन. लाइक इज योर विश. ओके, प्लीज जस्ट शेयर द सेशन so that many people can get benefited, and within few minutes 10 to 15 we are starting giving the solution as well guys. ओके, निमेश, आर यू हैप्पी आफ्टर गिविंग द एग्जाम? जो पहले थोड़ा नर्वस रहे होंगे या ऐसा कुछ, अभी हैप्पी हो?
यस सर. बाकी लोगों में यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि टेंशन मत लो. किसी पेपर IIT बॉम्बे ने इजी बनाया है.
ओके.
टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
ओके ओवरऑल अकॉर्डिंग टू निमेश पांडे फ्रॉम बॉम्बे, वन ऑफ द माय फाइनेस्ट स्टूडेंट, जिनसे मैं शर्त भी लगाया हूं कि जब भी वो दिल्ली आएंगे मैं बॉम्बे आऊंगा तो क्रिकेट मैच होगा हमारा। तो वो बता रहे हैं कि पेपर इजी था, बहुत कैलकुलेटिव नहीं था। स्टील से क्वेश्चन आए थे, बोल्ट पे, मैथ से क्वेश्चन आए थे, सिम्पसन, ट्रेपेजॉइडल और रैंक से, सोम से क्वेश्चन आया था, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस पे, किसी प्लेन पे स्ट्रेस दे रखा है, किसी अन्य प्लेन पे पूछा था। तो ओवरऑल पेपर वाइज इजी। तो आफ्टरनून सेशन के लिए ये एक बूस्टअप है, दैट ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है।
यस, एंड लेवल विल बी मोर और लेस सेम, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि लेवल में बहुत ज्यादा।
एमएसक्यू स्पेशल अटेंशन, एमएसक्यू वर वेरी वेरी लेस, ओके। एनईटी वर ज्यादा थे, फिल इन द ब्लैंक ज्यादा थे, बट एमएसक्यू वर वेरी वेरी लेस गाइस, तो दैट इज गुड फॉर
निमेश। स्टूडेंट्स पूछ रहे हैं कि प्रोबेबिलिटी से क्वेश्चन था, और था तो कैसा था?
प्रोबेबिलिटी से एक क्वेश्चन तो था,
ओके।
एग्जैक्टली मुझे वो याद नहीं आ रहा है सर।
प्रोबेबिलिटी से था या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से था?
प्रोबेबिलिटी से ही था।
प्रोबेबिलिटी, ठीक है गाइस, एक बेसिक प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन था।
ओके 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 ओके। तो बेसिक प्रोबेबिलिटी का निमेश पांडे बता रहे हैं मेमोरी बेस पे कि एक क्वेश्चन था। और एक आपको एक राज की बात बताऊं कि जब गेट ने सर एनईटी स्टार्ट किया था ना, तो शुरुआत में एनईटी काफी कम दिए थे, और हर साल वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है। वही एमएसक्यू के साथ भी होने वाला है। अभी निमेश पांडे जी बता रहे हैं कि एमएसक्यू बहुत कम आए थे, देखना हर साल
मेरे पास सर मैसेज पे अभी इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन की न्यूज भी आ गई है कि वेरी फ्यू एमएसक्यू इन इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन ऑल्सो, बहुत ही कम। तो हर ब्रांच से बहुत ही कम एमएसक्यू पूछे जा रहे हैं। धीरे धीरे वो आने वाले ईयर्स में बढ़ाएंगे। एनआईटी भी जब 2014 में फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ था, एनआईटी क्वेश्चन और वेरी फ्यू, और अब आते आते बहुत बढ़ गए थे।
अच्छा, ये इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स से बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं, आपके जूनियर्स या आपके दोस्त की इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स से क्वेश्चन आया था क्या?
हाँ आया तो था, बट वो मेरे को थोड़ा टफ लगा। तो
ओके
मैं उतना प्रिपेयर किया नहीं था उसका। तो
और वाइब्रेशन से नितेश भारद्वाज जी पूछ रहे, वाइब्रेशन से क्वेश्चन आया था?
नहीं, वाइब्रेटिंग से नहीं आया था।
ओके।
सर थोड़ा मेरे को बोले कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान दे, वो सब वो स्पीड डेंसिटी रिलेशनशिप है ना, वो सब पे ज्यादा है।
स्पीड डेंसिटी रिलेशनशिप पे क्वेश्चन आया था,
ज्यादा फोकस है वो लोग का।
ओके ओके। अखिल जी भी यहाँ पे हैं, ओके। सो कुछ आपका स्पेशल गाइडेंस जो आफ्टरनून में बच्चे देने वाले हैं कि कैसे उनको रहना चाहिए, चिल रहना चाहिए, मुश्किल रहना चाहिए, कैसा कुछ स्पेशल गाइडेंस?
हेलो,
हाँ, आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं क्या निमेश जी मेरा? अच्छा निमेश जी, निमेश भाई अभी आवाज आ रहा है क्या? अब
हेलो
निमेश भाई अभी आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ सर, आपको आवाज कट के।
अच्छा, सॉइल मैकेनिक्स में क्या क्या आया था, बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं, व्हाट वाज द टॉपिक्स इन सॉइल मैकेनिक्स?
सर आवाज बराबर से नहीं आ रहा है।
ओके, लेट मी रिकनेक्ट। ओके, तब तक सर आप बच्चों से।
Hello champions, how are you people? Please let me know in the comment section कैसा गया आप लोगों का एग्जाम, जो कि है आप लोगों का जो मॉर्निंग सेशन वाले, जरूर एक बार कमेंट करके बता दीजिए हाउ वाज योर एग्जामिनेशन क्विकली।
ओके,
लेट मी नो इन द चैट सेक्शन। जल्दी से एक
अनाउंसमेंट गाइस, फास्टेस्ट, वी विल बी द फास्टेस्ट माय फ्रेंड्स। सी द अनाउंसमेंट इंजीनियरिंग में। सर एक में वो वाला पेपर लगाना माय फ्रेंड्स, टाइम नोट कर लो, फास्टेस्ट होने वाला है जो बताने वाला हूं। अभी खबर आया है, अभी खबर आया, कहां गया मार्कर? एक बार फर्स्ट या सेकंड स्लाइड। अभी खबर आया है, फास्टेस्ट वी विल बी, फास्टेस्ट। किस मार्क्स से कितने का आया था, पूरा डिटेल्ड सोल्यूशन आ गया भाई, पूरा डिटेल्ड सोल्यूशन आ गया विद इन 2 मिनट। जल्द लाइक शेयर कर देना, पूरा डिटेल्ड सोल्यूशन आ गया है। किस सब्जेक्ट से कितने मार्क्स का आया था, पूरा डिटेल्ड सोल्यूशन आ गया है। गोयल सर भी हमारे साथ हैं। सर एक गूगल मीट का लिंक दिया, आप उस पर आ जाइए। ओके। गोयल सर ने पूरा हमको भेज दिया है, क्योंकि वो एग्जाम देने गए थे, और वो पूरा मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ किस सब्जेक्ट से कितने मार्क्स का आया था। दोस्तों एवरीबडी पूरा आपको डिटेल सोल्यूशन बता रहा हूँ। बस मेरे को आप एक बार लाइक शेयर कर देना दोस्त, मैं एक बार अपनी टाइपिंग टीम को भी भेज दूँ किस सब्जेक्ट से कितने मार्क्स का आया था। और दोस्तों सर एक बार एमएन सर को बता रहा हूँ, भेज दिया आपको पूरा डिटेल। एमएन सर को, हाँ एमएन सर को बता दो दोस्त। ये गया ना वाला, वो एक बार लगाना।
कौन सा सर?
आगे स्लाइड। किस सब्जेक्ट से कितने मार्क्स का था, which subject, which marks, how many number questions, that detail we have gone, that detail we are going. Engineering mechanics, 1 marks question, 2 marks question, how many questions, I will telling you everything guys. एक बार आगे डिटेल वाला है, एनालिसिस वाला। हाँ ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में लिखिए। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से पहले आप लिखिए आरसीसी में 1 मार्क्स का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं था, 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन
आरसीसी से।
हाँ आरसीसी में, आरसीसी 1 मार्क्स नो क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स 2 क्वेश्चन। डिजाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर 1 मार्क्स 0 एंड वहां से ओके वापस से आरसीसी 1 मार्क्स का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं था और 2 मार्क्स के
स्टील का सर बता दो एक बार।
स्टील का डीएसएस डिजाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर 1 मार्क्स के 0 लिख दीजिए
0
और 2 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग 1 मार्क्स 4 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स 3 क्वेश्चन एक्सीलेंट यार सल्यूट टू रोहन सर यार एवरीबॉडी जस्ट लाइक फॉर राहुल सर यार कम ऑन within 10 minutes we are having detailed yaar with detailed solution guys detailed solution we are having Rohan sir has sent us to us excellent yaar excellent geotechnical engineering 1 marks 4 question
तो यहाँ पे RCC was how much sir
geotechnical RCC
was 0 for this was 2
हाँ RCC
steel structure was this 0 this 1
okay और
okay fine
बिल्डिंग मटेरियल का अभी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है एक मैंने फोटो भेजा सर को व्हाट्सएप में देखना चेक करने के लिए ओके सो में इस पेज में नहीं
स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस
ओके
स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस से इंजीनियरिंग मैथ है
ओसीएफ है ओसीएफ के लिए बच्चों बता देता हूँ लिखना क्या है ओसीएफ के लिए बच्चों बताता हूँ 1 मार्क्स से सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स से 2 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन और फ्लूइड से 1 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन हाइड्रोलॉजीज ये एच वाई सर से पूछ लेंगे एक बार फोन में मैथ से कुछ नहीं आरसीसी से 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग से 1 मार्क्स के 4 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के 3 क्वेश्चन ओके इरिगेशन से 2 मार्क्स का 1 क्वेश्चन बिल्डिंग मटेरियल से 1 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन बिल्डिंग मटेरियल से 1 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन ओके स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस भी है स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस में 1 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन और 2 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन ओके तो एक बार बेल बजाना उसका फ्लूइड आगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड होगा
यहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग मैथ का है सर ये तो मैथ का नहीं है ये
गूगल मीट पे वीडियो
ये इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स है क्या ये मैथ का है ना सर मैथ का यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ है सर
ओके मैथ सर कॉल पे पूछ लेंगे एचएम क्या होगा सर्वे का 1 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन
बता दीजिए मुझे एप्टीट्यूड का है क्या
एप्टीट्यूड AIR भी लिख दिया उन्होंने बच्चों का जस्ट आप सारे डिटेल सॉल्यूशन बता रहे हैं
just wait for a few minutes just wait for a few minutes we are coming for the first time in India with a full live solution of the GATE 2021
come on just मैं अभी पूरा बता रहे हैं
hit the like button for all of us and share the session with everybody
लगा दो ओके लगा दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बच्चे समझते हैं इतना यार लाइव एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं फास्टेस्ट एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं पूरा मैं उनको डिटेल बता रहे हैं एफएल क्या लिखा होगा सर ने फ्लूइड 1 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन फ्लूइड 1 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन ओके जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग 1 मार्क्स 1 मार्क्स इन जियोटेक 4 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स 3 क्वेश्चन आरसीसी 1 मार्क्स 0 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स 2 क्वेश्चन डिजाइन स्टील स्ट्रक्चर 1 मार्क्स 0 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स 1 क्वेश्चन
लिंक का मेल कीजिए उसी पे डाल
ओके आप तक कंटिन्यू करो
yes so as expected everybody whatever expectation we had given in the analysis the question marking scheme were exactly like that the question marking scheme was exactly like that just लगा दीजिए like we have told that 7 to 8 questions are going to be then in MSQ and it was the same steel structure से 4 questions 4 मार्क्स आने वाले थे हम बोले थे 4 मार्क्स ही आया है जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग भी जैसे हाईएस्ट वेटेज हर साल रहता है just like that so our expectations were exactly on point I hope all of you have done well and we are correctly currently just connecting with all the students currently just
1 मिनट में आ जाओगे ना
connecting with all the students just those people who have come out of the examination hall and we are here with one of my students one of our students on Gradeup just have a look and any question
स्टूडेंट नहीं है
अभी आएगा अभी एक ही है
अभी आपके स्टूडेंट नहीं है, रोहन सर आएंगे और रोहन सर ने हमको पूरा डिटेल सोल्यूशन भेज दिया। थोड़ा राइटिंग मेरे को इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट राइटिंग आई विल टेल यू। अगेन एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूं मैं। इंजीनियरिंग मैथ होगा, इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स से इतने क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे। इंजीनियरिंग मैथ होगा, इंजीनियरिंग ईएम लिखा है सर ने, तो मैं गेस कर रहा हूँ मैकेनिक्स से इतने क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे, मैथ ही होगा। इंजीनियरिंग मैथ से 1 मार्क्स के 5 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन,
3 क्वेश्चन सर,
2 मार्क्स के 2 लिखे हैं
ये सर, 1 2
या 3 का डिटेल अभी सर वीडियो पे आने वाले हैं
सर अभी। ठीक
है। सोम के 1 मार्क्स का 2 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स का 1 क्वेश्चन।
स्ट्रक्चर का 2 मार्क्स का 2 क्वेश्चन,
हाँ 2 मार्क्स नहीं, 1 मार्क्स का 2 क्वेश्चन, 1 मार्क्स का 2 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स का 1। आरसीसी 1 मार्क्स का 0, 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चन। ओके, आपने एमएन सर को बता दिया ना, एमएन सर को कि व्हाट्सएप किया उनको एक चीज। डीएसएस का 1 मार्क्स का 0, स्टील का 2 मार्क्स का 1 क्वेश्चन, जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग 1 मार्क्स के 4 क्वेश्चन, 1 मार्क्स इन जियोटेक 4 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स 3 क्वेश्चन। ओके, हाइड्रोलॉजी 1 मार्क्स 1 क्वेश्चन, इरिगेशन 2 मार्क्स 1 क्वेश्चन, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल 1 मार्क 1 क्वेश्चन, सीएम कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट 1 मार्क्स 1 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स 2 क्वेश्चन,
4 मार्क्स का आ गया कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट इस बार। ओके, लेट्स जस्ट कनेक्ट विद।
अभी नहीं आए सर, आने वाले हैं। थोड़ा सा सर को भी सेंटर से एक बार उस एरिया पे पहुंचने दीजिए, सो दैट सर कैन आल्सो गो टू अ नेटवर्क एरिया।
As per one of our students, the paper level is medium. As per one of our grade up students itself from Mumbai, Nimesh Pandey, we have just connected him a little while ago, and we are now going to connect Rohan sir just in a few minutes, because he has just come out and will be sharing his experiences and what was the different weightages of different subjects just within a few minutes. So by that time, if you haven't hit the like button yet, just hit the like button and share the session with everybody.
Okay,
MSQs are 7 to 8 as expected.
MSQ से कम आए थे, 7 to 8 अभी कहना थोड़ा जल्दी होगा। We are more focusing on accuracy. तो सर आके पूरा डिटेल में खुद बता देंगे। Okay.
MSQ, everybody was asking about MSQ. MSQ, the weightage was comparatively lower as expected for this year actually, since they are first time, introducing this pattern of the question. That's why the weightage was not that much high on MSQ. MSQ was for 2 marks, beta. MSQ तो normally 2 marks.
अबे सर आज लीजिए पूरा डिटेल में आपको बता देंगे.
Just wait for a few minutes. He's just going to come over here. He's just going to come over here in a few minutes. Just hit the like button, boss, and share the session with everybody. And if I talk about engineering mathematics, as expected, we had almost 5 1-mark question and 3 2-marks questions. So as expected, and aptitude is also like that, as given by IIT Bombay.
One more information. We are getting the questions, guys. More than 20 questions we have got till now. 45 within 30 minutes we'll be dealing यार. पूरा सेट था मामला अपना यार. पूरा हर एक बच्चों क्या रखा था, मेमोरी बेस्ड भेजना है. Selected students we have done that they will be sharing us the memory based question. उनका पेपर भी अच्छा हुआ है, उनका लगातार मैसेज आ रहा है और पूरा आपको आ गए. रोहन सर एडमिट कर देते हैं दोस्त. एक बार लाइक और शेयर बनता है सर के लिए. सबसे पहले सर लेके आए हैं. सर एक बार वीडियो उनके लीजिए. स्टूडेंट्स ओके. ये म्यूट है, म्यूट.
वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए सर एक बार.
रोहन सर एक बार वीडियो अगर आप ऑन कर पाए.
हाँ आ गए.
रोहन सर आ गए हैं दोस्तों पूरा बताने के लिए आपको.
हाँ ऑडियो तो आ रहा है. यस हेलो सर. Just wait for a few seconds. Rohan sir is coming live with the analysis. Actually, he's here live.
हाँ रोहन सर, आप हमें सुन पा रहे हैं क्या?
रोहन सर,
मोबाइल से तो वो है, कैसे सुनेंगे? वो कैसे सुनेंगे मोबाइल से?
रोहन सर, are we audible and visible to you people? You sir, are we audible and visible to you sir? Rohan sir,
तो वो मोबाइल से तो देख रहे हैं, वो एक मोबाइल से 2 काम कैसे करेंगे?
Rohan sir, are we audible and visible to you?
यस, तो वो गूगल मीट भी तो उसी से कर रहे हैं.
मैं वो नहीं कर रहा.
लो कर रहा हूँ. लो
आप गूगल मीट नहीं, आप गूगल मीट जानते हैं.
अच्छा.
just in a few minutes. Mute है शायद, like. Just coming in a second. Just coming in a second. Join.
आवाज हमारी नहीं जाएगी ना उनको। जा रहा है। तो रोहन सर ने दोस्तों सारे क्वेश्चन हमें बता दिए हैं, हम आपको बताएंगे। ओके रोहन सर, आपको मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया बढ़िया। आर वी ऑडिबल एंड विजिबल टू यू सर?
सर आपकी आवाज थोड़ी डबल हो रही है, बट थोड़ी डिस्टर्बेंसेस आ रही है।
ठीक है रोहन सर, मैं आपसे कुछ जल्दी से क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ। किसी स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट से बहुत कम आ गया हो?
सर इन्वायरमेंट से बहुत ज्यादा पूछा गया इस बार। सर अराउंड इन्वायरमेंट से 15 to 16 मार्क्स का तो मिनिमम पूछा ही गया इन्वायरमेंट में।
ओके एक काम करते हैं, क्योंकि मेरा वॉइस इको हो रहा है, तो रोहन सर आप ही बोल दीजिए सब कुछ, एमएसक्यू कितने आए सब कुछ आप ही बोल दीजिए।
आप ही बोल दीजिए सर एक बार।
हेलो एवरीवन, सर मेरी वीडियो आ रही है लाइव में?
आ रही है सर, लाइव आ रहा है सर यूट्यूब पे।
ओके गाइस, तो हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज का जो गेट का एग्जामिनेशन था हमारा मॉर्निंग वाला जो सेशन था, उसमें हमारे पास इन्वायरमेंट से तो काफी ज्यादा पूछा गया। इन्वायरमेंट में अराउंड 12 to 13 मार्क्स का वेटेज रहा। उसके बाद हमारा एज यूजुअल जो हमारा जियोटेक्निकल का वेटेज काफी हैवी रहता है, तो जियोटेक्निकल से भी कम 13 to 14 मार्क्स का पूछा गया। और इस बार हमारा हाईवे में से भी एज यूजुअल वही हमारा वेटेज अच्छा खासा रहा, लेवल मॉडरेट रहा। सारे एग्जामिनेशन में सारे सब्जेक्ट में मॉडरेट लेवल रहा। ठीक है, मैथमेटिक्स बहुत इजी आई थी इस बार। मैथमेटिक्स का सेम वही वेटेज हमारा 13 to 14 मार्क्स हमारा मैथमेटिक्स उतर गया था, काफी इजी मैथमेटिक्स आई थी। ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल्स में देखा जाए तो स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल्स में 4 to 5 मार्क्स का पूछा गया है। स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस में भी में से भी 4 to 5 मार्क्स का पूछा गया है। एक क्वेश्चन हमारा रोहन सर मैं आपको नॉर्मल कॉल करता हूँ, इसमें बहुत इको हो रहा है, नॉर्मल फोन कॉल करता हूँ और मैं आपको स्पीकर में डाल दूंगा। पीपीटी खोलना। Okay, Rohan sir, you are on speaker. Everybody, since in the video call there is some ego, sir is outside the center, yaar. Sir, outside the center. So I will be, whatever the questions you will be having for the afternoon session, you can write on the comment box. I will ask from the sir and my friends every question that you will be asking. So I will be taking and asking for you so that you can be helpful for the forenoon session. So okay, sir. First question, sir. Student both they are very very curious to know it. That sir, how many number of MSQ questions? सर एमएसक्यू क्वेश्चन तो अराउंड 2 और एट मैक्स 2 मतलब पूछे गए, 1 और 2 क्वेश्चन थे, ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं थे।
Okay, so 2 MSQ questions around 2 might be plus minus 1 or 2 3 around that range. Okay sir, NAT questions. बच्चों को आवाज आ रही है?
Questions do not have an exact count, but मेरे ख्याल से around 15 questions, 10 to 15 questions हमारे numerical answer type questions।
Okay guys, around 15 questions in NAT. You can ask more questions. अच्छा sir, you have written some like 1 marks question this much, 2 marks question this much. Like in SOM you have written 1 marks there are 2 questions, right? आप अपना WhatsApp पे खोल सकते हैं जो आपने मेरे को भेजा है. Right in SOM in 1 marks question there are 2 questions, right?
Yes sir. So there were 2 questions from the 1 marks question in strength of material and 2 marks question from 1 2 mark question from strength of material.
और ये that you have written EM, that is engineering maths.
इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स होगा
First.
So first one is engineering mathematics. Yes.
So engineering maths, there were 5 questions of 1 marks and two questions of 2 marks.
3 शायद वो.
That is 2 or 3, sir?
2 marks.
That is 2 or 3?
3 questions of 2 marks.
3 questions. And this ST is structure or steel? This is structure.
Structure, right.
Structure, guys, 1 marks 2 question and 2 marks 1 question. RCC 1 marks, sir मेरे को correct कीजिएगा if I am wrong. RCC 1 marks 0 question and 2 marks 2 question. Design of steel structure. हाँ.
सर RCC में से 1 marks का 1 question आया है और 2 marks के 2 questions आए हैं.
Okay.
डिजाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर में से 2 marks का 1 question आया है.
Okay, in design of steel structure, 2 marks, 1 question. In geotechnical engineering, 1 marks, 4 question, and 3 questions of 2 marks. Correct?
4 questions of.
Okay, 4 questions of 2 marks. In geotech, guys, 1 marks, 4 question, 1 marks, 4 question, 2 marks, 4 questions. So total it is weightage of 12 marks. Okay, so लगातार photo is coming.
So sir, just coming because the questions have started already arriving to all of us, and we are going to provide the solution for the first time in India. Just coming back.
Okay, and sir, irrigation, there is no question of 1 marks, na?
Yes, sir. There is 1 mark, 1 question from 2 marks.
And this HY, ये क्या लिखा है आपने? HY?
सर ये हाइड्रोलॉजी है.
Hydrology, 1 mark, 1 question. Correct?
Right, sir.
Building material, only 1 marks, 1 question. Construction material and per CPM, 1 marks, 1 question, and two questions of 2 marks.
Right, sir.
Engineering math?
So mathematics तो हो गया कवर सर.
Okay, हाँ सबसे ऊपर engineering maths हो गया था. And this is after engineering maths you written this HY, that is I think highway.
Yes, sir. It is highway.
Highway, 1 marks 3 question, 2 marks 3 question. Correct?
Right, sir.
And this fluid, now fluid is little less. Fluid is little less, guys. 1 marks, only 1 question, and 2 marks, 2 question. Correct, sir?
Right, sir.
What is this HM? Hydraulic machine, nothing.
Hydraulic machine, nothing is asked.
Okay.
Environmental. Next is environmental.
Hydraulic machine, guys, no question from hydraulic machine. Environmental, 1 marks 3 question and 2 marks 5 question. Correct?
Sir, these are 6 questions.
Okay, 6 question. Environmental, 1 marks 3 question and 6 question from 2 marks. 15 marks weightage. 6 into 2 plus 1 into 3. 6 into 2 plus 1 into 3. And then survey, sir, 1 marks 2 question and 2 marks 1 question. Correct?
Right, sir.
And then this MEC, I think engineering mechanics.
Engineering mechanics, right.
Engineering mechanics, 1 marks, 1 question only from 2 marks.
Sliding block problem, sir. Block sliding problem.
Block sliding problem from engineering mechanics. And open channel flow, 1 marks 1 question. Correct?
Right, sir.
Or AIR?
Airport.
Okay, airport, 1 question from 2 marks. Correct?
On runway length.
Okay. Sir, any special thing that you want to tell the students about anything?
Sir, I would like to tell the students to revise the active stress part properly in geotechnical engineering.
Okay.
Okay. And to revise the part in which pre-stressed concrete, you have to find out the stresses at the top and bottom fiber.
Okay.
Okay. And revise that space mean study and time mean study in highway engineering.
Okay.
1 question has been asked in this session. A question has been asked on space mean study. So it is expected they may ask on time mean study in the next session.
Okay. And MSQ was theory or numerical?
So it was theoretical.
Okay. MSQ was numerical.
Not theoretical.
Achha, MSQ were theoreticals. So, little MSQs have come and they were mostly theoreticals. Okay. Correct, na, sir?
Yes, sir.
Or paper was calculative, lengthy, or it can be finished in 3 hours?
So it can definitely be finished in 3 hours easily because we have sufficient amount of time. The calculations were little lengthy, but not too lengthy here also.
Okay. Okay.
So the students still have to keep up the pace in the examination to match up to the examination.
Okay. So guys, everything we have told you, sir has, soon we will be writing that also. Everything sir has told, weightage, everything, which marks, which subject, which marks, and also MSQ were very less. Only I guess around 2 or 3 were MSQs, and they were theoretical. Paper was not tough, paper was easy. Environmental weightage was little more. Okay, so these are the things that are highlights till now. Soon we are ready with the solutions and will be providing you the solution as well. Okay, any more thing that you want to ask from your sir, then please let me know. Okay, then please let me know, we will ask that thing also. So sir, the scientific calculator was same na, that everybody was doing in the test series, or was the format of calculator changed?
It was definitely the same.
Okay, so scientific calculator was also having the same format as it was earlier. Okay. So sir, any special wishes from your side to students?
So from my side, students, guys, do your best. All the questions were the expected questions which you have studied in the classes, which you have studied in our regular classes. We tell each and every time these are the questions which are asked repeated number of times every year.
Okay.
Same type of questions are asked.
Okay. Mayank is asking.
Stay focused to that.
Okay, sir, Mayank is asking, apart from admit card and ID, anything else is required for the exam?
Nothing else is required. Just carry your stationery with you.
Okay.
I'm going to come with 3 questions in next 2-3 minutes.
Okay, and sir, this weightage they have not written. I've sent you in WhatsApp. Refresh, I have done. Okay, within next 4 minutes, we are ready with the 3 questions, guys. Within next 3 minutes, we are ready with the 3 questions. So everybody, please be prepared. Within 2-3 minutes, just our typing team is doing, and we will be ready with 3 questions within next 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, so pie chart has come, guys, for the subject. Okay, for shift 1 that has come, my friends. Okay, total summary guys of this 2021 shift 1. Aptitude as 15%, transportation 11%, fluid mechanics 6%, environment 8%. Irrigation 2%, SOM was 4%, surveying 4%, hydrology is 9%, geotech is 12%, guys. Okay, so there is 4 questions of 2 marks and 4 questions of 1 marks. RCC is of 4 marks, guys. Steel structure is 2, exactly matching with sir, and SOM is there. Okay. Structure analysis was 6, guys. Structure analysis there were 6%, engineering math 11%. So what else you can want here? We are the fastest to give you this. Everybody, any more questions? Then sir is also with here, you can ask me. Everybody, list out the question. Within next 2-3 minutes, we are ready with the questions, guys. Everybody, our typing team is just starting the typing. Within next 2-3 minutes, we are ready with 3 questions. Everybody, any more questions that you want to ask from sir? Sir, aptitude kaisa tha? How was the aptitude and maths?
The aptitude was really easy, very easy aptitude.
Okay.
Straightforward. English was also asked, which was very easy. Mathematics, as I've told sir, it was very straightforward. Questions were asked very easy, like rank of the matrix. You have to find out the limit of a given simple equation. You have to find out you have to use the trapezoidal rule, 1/3 Simpson rule. 2 questions were based upon 2 marks, trapezoidal and Simpson rule.
Trapezoidal Simpson, okay. Okay. So, sir, one more question that I find very interesting. Sir, MSQ were from 1 marks or 2 marks? Although they are very less MSQs, but they are of 1 marks or 2 marks?
So, MSQs were for 1 marks.
Okay, MSQ were for 1 marks, and they are very less. NAT were more, but MSQ were very less, guys. Okay, as sir is telling. Okay. So, ratio of NAT and MCQ will be almost same. Okay, MCQ will be little more, but NAT were also very more. MSQ were less. ओके सर, सोम के क्वेश्चन आए, जी हाँ, सोम के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के क्वेश्चन आए थे. ओके, ओसीएफ का एक क्वेश्चन आया था, पूरा डिटेल वेटेज आपको यहाँ पे है. एप्टीट्यूड तो एज ऑलवेज 15 मार्क्स का ही आना था. जियो टेक्निकल 12% गाइस, 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 4 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 2 मार्क्स, 4 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 1 मार्क्स. आरसीसी 4%, स्टील स्ट्रक्चर 2%, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल एंड सीपीएम ऑल दोस थिंग्स 6%, स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस 6%. ओके, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन 11%, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स 6%, एनवायरमेंट 8%, इरिगेशन 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 2 मार्क्स. ओके सर, इन स्टील I just one of our student has also called us. 3 questions also. Okay, so now my friends, the Ansari sir is here with 3 questions. Okay, over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. Maybe you are waiting for the kind of solution, isn't it? Sir, एक मिनट sir, help. अच्छा दिस इज इन स्लाइड राइट? अच्छा ठीक है, ना विल गो. How to get that slide? 57 number slide I have. एक मिनट बस मैं क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए. I have that question.
Sir, then 5 questions. Joshi sir is also ready. 8 questions within next. Highway and FM.
Sir, can you just put this in 57 number slide? It's not coming.
सर मैं कर एक सेकंड
चला जाता है. अच्छा यहाँ से 57. Okay. Yes, one question was from surveying, that is traversing, right? So PQRS they have given. PQRS, that was close traverse. PQRS. Wait, एक minute. एक slide back just so. 57. Then I have to select pen, I think. Huh. PQRS was the traversing. PQRS. That was the traversing, right? Close traverse. That was the close traverse given. Very easy question, dear students. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy questions. So bearing of P was given. Bearing of P. I'm really not used to it. You all know that. But I'll explain it. So 27 degree was the bearing for P. And internal angle for Q was given as P was 92 and Q was 68. Q was 68. So here Q internal angle was 68, and then he was given 123 for R, that is 123, and he was asking the for bearing of RS. Very easy. See what you have to do. Back bearing of, you just get the back bearing of PQ. Sorry, back bearing of, yes, back bearing of PQ. Once you'll get the back bearing of PQ, see here, the back bearing of PQ is which one? This one, isn't it? Back bearing of, back bearing, calculate the back bearing here. Yes. What will be back bearing? So back bearing of PQ, back bearing of PQ will be 180 plus 27 degree. 187 plus 27 degree. 27 degree, right? इसका क्या हो गया? ये लग नहीं रहा क्या? Holding has become difficult now. Holding is too difficult. Okay, I think this is good. This is also working, right? Okay. 180 plus 27 degree, and how much it will be coming? 7 also something. Right, now 207. Now subtract your internal angle and you'll get the bearing for QR. You'll get the bearing for QR. So 207 minus the internal angle, that is 68, and how much you'll be getting? 139 degree is the for bearing of QR. Now get the back bearing of RQ. How to get the back bearing of RQ? Back bearing of RQ. So you're traversing here. Back bearing of RQ, how you'll get it? Back bearing of RQ, just add it. So back bearing of RQ will be 139 plus 139. You all know that, how to do that. 139 plus 180, and you will be getting 9. कितना हो गया? 319. So 319 degree, right? Now you got the back bearing of RQ. We are actually interested in what? For bearing of RS. For bearing of RS. That's what he's asking. For bearing of RS. Subtract. Tell me in a comment box what to do. What to do now? Please tell me in a comment box what to do now. You know better than us, is it? You know better than us. Tell me. We got 319 degree the back bearing of RQ. Now we are actually going to achieve the answer. Tell me what I have to do. Write down in a comment box. Yes. Please tell me. I have to get the. I want to get the bearing of RS. See, bearing of RS. Where is that? Bearing of RS. Where is our bearing of RS? What's the क्या हो गया इसको? Okay, bearing of RS. Bearing of RS. No, not this one. ये इधर समझ में नहीं आता है. ये सब गया. So this was your line. We are interested in bearing of RS. Write down. Tell me what to do. Minus 180. No. See one thing. MSQ कम था दोस्त. See, you got the back bearing of R, back bearing of QR. You got the back bearing of QR. From back bearing of QR. See there. We are interested in for bearing of RS. For bearing of RS. You tell me. Minus that internal angle, dear. Internal angle. What is the internal angle given there? Minus only internal angle. Yes, absolutely, Teja. Absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct. So that is 319 minus that is 127 degree, and answer is how much? 291. Is it correct? Calculation 291. I don't know where is that. Although okay, this is your for bearing of RS. That is what it has been asked. See, that is why we were saying don't take too much tension. I just got the information. All the questions were easy only, but they have jumbled it in such a way that the students are getting confused. So do not get confused, please. Do not get those who are going to sit for the examination. Whatever you have studied, that is really, I am telling you, do not get frustrated. It is very. किसी से पूछ लेना, किसी से ask anyone. मतलब normal to normal, anyone student, they will say it's very simple. Normal questions are coming. Okay, next I will go for maybe you are waiting for structure question, isn't it? Structure question. Next we'll see the structure question. Where is the diagram? Okay, diagram is not added. Okay, no problem. For this one, I know what was the question. Okay, here this was also very easy. This is for structure, sorry. This is structure question. Maybe. Should I refresh it? Hold on, students. I will just refresh it. Maybe. Where? Again. Oh, that is there. That question is there. नहीं वो मैं नहीं बोला था. I just told them. This is the question. So a question was there in the truss, right? You have seen a lot of questions, right? In a truss, a load is acting downward. Can you see that question? A load is acting downward, and he asked what is the compressive stress in this member. Now he has already see, come on, all of you, come on, share it. See, this is compressive stress he's asking at the top of the member. So how to get the compressive stress? You know what to do that. It means you have to first of all calculate the tensile force or compressive force, what axial member force, isn't it? To get the axial member force, what we'll do? We will simply take the section, isn't it? Simply take the section. Now take the section there and draw the one part of the section. Are you ready? See there how much easy it is. See, whatever you have studied, that is why yesterday we were saying that do not take tension. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine, isn't it? So suppose I just have not written the name of the joints. So I'll just write it on. Maybe this is A, B, C, D, and E, right? So this is your A, and this is a force FAB. This is force. What's that force? FAD, and this one is the force FCD, and the reaction, of course, the reaction will be, see, 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Now you tell me, what will be the reaction here? It is acting at the mid, isn't it? So half, that's all. Finish. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. That's all. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. 5 root 3. Do not misjudge it. My handwriting is not coming good. I know here. This is 5 root 3, and here also you have 5 root 3. Okay. Now 5 root 3 is the reaction there. You have to calculate. Now, as I told you, if you remember, those who have studied with me, those who have taken that course, especially those students, they know where to take the section, because you are actually interested to know the force in member AB. Now I told you, please remember that I told you, if you will take the moment at location D at this location, do you remember that? How to take the section and where to take, moment or some summation of forces, because you have always available summation of forces x direction equal to 0, summation of forces in y direction equal to 0, summation of moment at any point equal to 0. But at which location you are going to take the moment? At which location you are going to take the moment? So that location is very much important. Now, if you are going to stand at D, of course the force FAD and FCD will pass through the point D. FAD and FCD will pass through the point D, and you are not required to concerned about these two forces. We are interested in only FAB, and we will get the FAB. Now, actually I got the this much of the idea, and this was 2 meter and 2 meter. So what I'll do here, with the 45 degree, if you'll assume this height will consider 1 meter, and for the height 1 meter, if you are going to calculate it, so see here, for the height 1 meter, if you will calculate it here, so consider the forces at D equals to summation of moment at D equals to 0. Now if you do that, what I should write down? FAB multiplied by that height, that is 1, rotating about D. How the FAB is rotating about D? Is it clockwise? Yes. Take positive, no problem. Then about this point D, how the reaction is rotating, that is also rotating clockwise. Oh, good. So that is reaction, that is 5 root 3 multiplied by, what is the distance from A to D? What is the distance between support to the point D? The distance is 2 meters, isn't it? 2 meter equals to 0. So FAB is going to get, you are going to get FAB equals to 10 root 3. You are going to get FAB as minus of 10 root 3. Do not take tension with the minus, because already they have told in the question only, that forces FAB, that is force FAB is a compressive force. Why? Because he is asking what is the compressive stress. He is already indicating us, huh? So now force is 10 root 3. Now I don't think I have to go beyond that. This was actually NAT. Not MSQ. So as if you remember, I told you MSQ is quite difficult to get it from structure, right? Now NAT, you got the force. Now you tell me what will be the compressive stress in the member AB. How you'll get it? What you will do there? Is it too tough? Only section method? No, only section method. Only section method. So here, if you want to calculate, compressive stress will become 10 root 3 divided by the area, that is 2A, and A value they have also given, that is 10 to the 4 mm square, 10 to 4 mm square. So that twice of that 10 raised to 4, if you do, how much you are going to get it? 5 root 3 into 10 raised to minus 4
After this, show that pie chart.
Newton per mm square.
Show it again.
No, but I have another question.
We have refreshed it.
Okay.
It has been updated.
Okay. So you are going to get the stress 5 root 3 10 power minus 4 Newton per mm square. Now you can change it to mm square also. I don't know what they have asked. It was in Newton per mm square or it was in Newton per meter square. That is very simple. I think you can do it, right? So answer we got it 5 root 3 10 power minus 4 Newton per mm square. Right? Now you give in your comment box, dear. Are you feeling, is it tough? So questions came very easy. Very easy questions came here.
Pie chart.
Okay. Where is that? What is the slide number?
You were showing at that time, that pie chart you were showing in the beginning. Okay. This pie chart.
Updated?
Yeah. Presented. So afternoon everyone. So I think the questions are going well, and I think you all guys are happy with the questions we have got together with us. So this is the pie chart we are going to see, because this year the pattern of the GATE paper has been updated, and you should know what are the percentages of the questions from the every department. Many of the questions I am seeing in the comment section that students are asking how much percentage we have got from environmental engineering. So from environmental engineering we see is about 15%. 15% is a very good percentage, around 15 marks. The percentage here will definitely show you the correct marks of the particular subject, because from 100 marks if we see 15% is about 15 marks. So environmental engineering we have got 15 marks. Okay, now we have got transportation engineering, which has also got large percentage, that is around 11%, and general aptitude also 15%. So if we summarize everything, we have got major percentages from environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering 12% as we expected, and we got 11% from engineering mathematics, and general aptitude 15%. So we have to understand this. The future students who are going to crack the examination in the afternoon or in the coming years, they have to understand what are the priorities you have to focus on. We are coming with the more questions. Our teachers are preparing the solutions for you guys. You have to be updated, you have to be well prepared, you have to be more focused, you have to be more concentrated. But you have to understand what are the analytics for the coming examinations for the afternoon students as well as coming 2022 students. That is, engineering mathematics is one of the most important. You can score better in this in particular subject with less effort. But if we talk about geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, the questions were quite easy to moderate and they were not very hard, so you can solve them very easily. And geotechnical engineering is one of those subjects I think you might have liked it very well. So Dipanshu, Meena, every student I want to ask, we have done up till now several questions. How many questions we have done? Around
3 questions.
Okay, 2-3 questions we have done. So we are ready with more questions. Up till now we have done 3 to 4 questions. Aptitude also is going to come. But 2-3 questions, what do you expect? The paper was easy according to you, or it was moderate, or it was tough? According to you, I am asking. We are coming with more questions. Let's see what questions tells us, what the solutions are been given. But from according to you, I want to ask you, what is the level of the question according to you? It is easy, it is moderate, or is it, you can say, tough? So please comment, and everyone, I need a comment from everyone. Okay, Amit Kumar is asking how you get these questions very soon. Our team is very active for you guys, and they are preparing, they are doing around 50 to 55 people are working at background, so that you can get the questions, you can get the solutions, you can get the correct and accurate analysis of the questions or the paper.
Even after the session, we will get the PDF.
And after the session, you can download the PDF from our Telegram channels also. Okay, you can join our channels. Okay, Gradeup Mains, you can search it on that Telegram, that Gradeup Main. You can download it, you can join the channel, and you can download the PDF from our channels also, and you can download it even from our website. Yes sir, they can download it. You can go to gradeup.co after the session. You can download it from there also, from our website. Okay, so these are the analytics. Geotechnical engineering 12%, hydrology 1%, surveying 4%, SOM, strength of materials 4%, irrigation engineering 2%, and fluid mechanics 7%, engineering mathematics 11%, structural analysis, one of the major part, 6%. So in this particular topic you have to give more efforts. But
actually sir, students were expecting very random changes will occur, but actually random changes is not there.
Random changes are not there.
जो pattern चल रहा था, whatever the pattern was going on, the same pattern is there. Now I'll discuss one or two more questions. I'll discuss 2 more questions to you, right? From the structure only, and then one from airport, one from structure, and one from airport. You please be there.
Select mouse.
One from structure and one from airport. Just a second. Can 57, 57, 58. 58 we're done, 59 I think. No, it's not coming. Why it's every time it's going?
Sorry sir, students are asking for fluid mechanics.
Okay, then structure you just hold on, no problem. You go with the fluid mechanics. That structure and airport we'll discuss later on. No problem. You just see the fluid mechanics question first.
So hello everybody, I hope you all are super fine. So guys, quickly tell me, how was the examination? Did you enjoy it or not? Was it hard according to you? Quickly tell me, because we are going to discuss. First of all, we'll talk about transportation questions. We have a lot of questions, and that too exact question. All right, and if there is any discrepancy, no, we are not even discussing. We are just going to give you the question with complete accuracy. So everybody, full power, just send the heart sign and share the video with anyone friend of yours which is requiring this video, and also just hit the like button. Kill that button right away, and then I'm going to tell you all about transportation. Can you see the question here? Easy, cheesy. What is this question? The most preferred curve for vertical alignment. Everybody just flood. Yes, Ninja is here. Everybody, full power, just flood the comment box with heart sign, and then I'll give you the answer to this question. Everybody just share the video with everybody. Yes, I know. Don't worry, each and every subject will be discussed. I am here, don't worry. Abhi tak Ansari sir was here, correct? Now I'm here with transportation and fluid mechanics. After that, we are going to have Abhinav sir also, Anurag sir also, Krishna sir also. We are having Rakesh sir also for aptitude and maths, and Ankit Joshi sir. Yes. Come on guys, full power. Come on. So guys, the most preferred curve for vertical alignment, I have said it so many times, that for a transition curve, the ideal curve or the preferred curve will be the spiral. But if we talk about the vertical alignment, guys, then vertical alignment, what we do is, for submit curve we say, sir, the best is circular. But because we are very lazy, right? We are very lazy. So what we do is we go for the square parabola. We are not going to. Again, when we go for the valley curve, again the same thing happens, that okay sir, the preferred one is cubic parabola. But no, cubic parabola and square parabola look alike. Kar diya, cubic parabola. So the answer to this particular question will be what? Everybody, you know it. So circle, nahi ji, no ji. Right? Again, spiral, nahi ji, no ji. Parabola is the correct answer. How many of you have marked the same question, same answer? Sabne kiya kya? Full power. Watching should be more. Let's go to the next question now. Oh my god. Spot speed is given to us, and we have to calculate the space mean speed, guys. Okay, space mean speed. Is it a very hard question? Not at all. So I'll just quickly do it for you, everybody. Just hit the like button first of all, and then we'll see the answer also. First of all, you tell me how much answer you are getting, everybody. Yes, C was the right answer for the previous question. I hope you all have enjoyed this paper. MSQ were less, although the MSQ were less, but don't worry. So I'm going to talk about the space. What is asking? Space mean speed. So that will be how much, guys? Space mean speed. It should be total number of vehicle divided by, I have told you, frequency upon velocity. But here we have only one. So 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon 55 plus 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 65 plus 1 upon 80. सामने कर दूं कैलकुलेशन 2 सेकंड में कर दूं, क्या हो जाएगा? चलिए, एंड यू ऑल्सो टेल मी गाइज हाउ मच दिस 1 2 3 4 5. ये तो 5 हो गया, राइट? दिस इज 5 करेक्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 सेट है. सो एवरीबडी जस्ट गेट मी द आंसर. एवरीबडी, आई एम ऑल्सो सॉल्विंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ओनली because we have just got the question. So we have 5 divided by 1 by 40. Next. चलो देते जाओ, आंसर देते जाओ everyone. I want to see if you have got the same answer or not. Plus 1 by 60, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Plus 1 by 65, शानदार. Plus 1 by 80, and the answer to the question will be 56.99. Very good, Durga Nayak ji, amazing. The correct answer will be 56.99 kmph. सही है क्या? full power के साथ everybody. Let's move to the next question, but उससे पहले just send a quick heart sign in the comment box with full power, right? Because next question I'm going to show you. Just give me a minute, give me a minute. We'll go back, we'll go back, we'll go थोड़ा सा back, a little bit more back. Okay, easy cheesy question again, easy cheesy question one more time. What they are asking, total time loss as given is 3 seconds per phase. Okay, number of phases are 2. Okay, very good. 2 number of phases are given to us. 2 number of phases are given to us. और क्या चाहिए, right? But the thing is, per phase, guys, they are asking per phase. Total time loss is per phase, and the optimum cycle length we have to find out. Y1, Y2. Oh, 4 kid question. Why? We have to use which method, everyone? Which method, everyone? Very simple. Very good, Sudhanshu, very good. So we have to use the Webster method, which goes something like this, that optimum cycle length is 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. 1 minus Y. Here Y will be equals to Y1 plus Y2. We already have the, directly we have the value as 0.47 plus 0.3, and that would be 0.77. Shandar. And the value of L should be how much, guys? Total time loss is given as 3 seconds. Now this is the tricky part. This will be the tricky part because we are having 3 seconds per phase. How many of you have written only 3? Quickly tell me in the comment box. Did you make that mistake? I hope you haven't. So 3 seconds per phase. Total number of phases given as 2. So total time loss is how much, guys? It should be 6. So let's get the answer. So it will be 1.5 into 6 plus 5 over 1 minus 0.77. Answer you will give me in the comment box. Everyone, yes, Webster method, amazing, great, guys. Answer to this question, everyone. Although I have the solution, but I would like to solve it here also. 1.5 into 6 plus 5 divided by 1 minus 0.77, and the answer should be, oh man, 60.86. The most ideal question, that the most ideal time that you can get, 60.86 second, everybody. I hope you all have got this. I hope you all have got this, right? Chalo, let's go to the next question, everyone. Let's go to the next question. Do we have? Oh my god, very easy question. Do we can do it. Understand this question now. So we have the equation, the velocity is 71 minus 0.7 k. Determine the time headway. Determine the time headway. Basically, they want you to give the answer to a very chilly-peely question, and that was HT. The question was easy, but the last part that they have included it have made it a little bit different, right? Guys, maths is also coming, aptitude is also coming, soil is also coming, structure is also coming, environment is also coming. All the subjects are gonna come. Please just hold yourself on your chair and just enjoy the solution which we are giving you. So guys, this is very simple. Which theorem we are going to use here? Come on, tell me. Green shield, green field, or exponential? Which model I'm going to use here? Everybody, can you quickly let me know? That is green shield, and green shield is what? Logarithmic or linear or exponential? That is linear. So I have seen this equation somewhere. I'm not remembering where. Green shield for you, right? Tony, don't worry, Apti will also come. Just hold your patience, guys. Just share the video with your friends. Please keep the watching high as much as possible. Cool. Next. So let's compare from here. We know that Qmax will be how much, guys? It should be VSF into kj by 4, right? That's it. I have told you this so many times. I have also shown you the graph also. Remember, we have done the graph also, everybody. Yes, green shield, everyone, great. So now VSF will be how much? 70. KJ will be how much? 1 by 0.7. 1 by 0.7 is how much, everyone? 1 by 0.7 is how much, everybody? That's 1.428, right? 1.428. So this is 70 into 1.428 divided by 4, and it should be equals to what? 3600 by HT. 3600 by HT, and HT is what I have to get. Everybody give me the answer in the comment box along with the units. Units के साथ चाहिए भाई. Everyone. Meenakshi, once we will solve all the questions in front of you now, you will be the one who will be thinking about the cutoff. You know, you will make it. You will just predict it. Don't worry. So this will be how much, guys? Quickly let me know. 3600 divided by how much we have? 36 into 4 भी कर लेते हैं, चलिए, just to make the calculation easy cheesy. 70 into 1.428. Are you getting it? Are you getting the same answer? Full power. Just let me know in the comment box how many seconds you are getting. How many? Everyone. Everyone in the comment box, full power से reply to this question. 18 to 100 seconds. Musebag is saying 2.1. Bhagat is saying, Sanjay is saying 60.88. Guys, just solve the equation and get the answer, everyone. Solve the question and get the answer, everybody. There's no problem in this, right? There's no problem in this. Sahi hai? 2.1 seconds. 2.1 seconds. 2.05 क्या? 2.1 ही बोलो ना उसको, right? You can do it, right? Ab, if it was NAT or what, I can't say. Yes, it was a MCQ question, right? This was a MCQ question. This was the MCQ question, right? Remember. And now, the most awaited subject that you all are waiting for is which one? Fluid mechanics. I'll just quickly go to the fluid mechanics. Give me a second. Yes, so we have 17th. All right, here we have. Calculate the ratio of vertical force by horizontal force, and this is what they have given to us. किस-किसको याद आया? Do you remember that we have done something like this in our session also, in our mock test also? अरे यार इसमें तो क्या हो गया? So first of all, I'll try to tell you guys what are the forces which are going to act over here, right? So vertical force will be one from here, right? So summation will be how much? FH1, if this is FH1 and this is FH2, guys, then the summation of the horizontal force will be how much? FH1 minus FH2 कर दिया, right? And the vertical, अब मेरे को इतना बता दो यार, मतलब बस don't make this mistake. Can you quickly tell me if the vertical force will act downward or upward? I have given you so many explanation here that there are few cases where we are supporting the water and sometimes the water is supporting the body. Remember? Yes, there was a question of super elevation as well. If anybody can get me the value also, I'll give you the answer straight away right here, right? The question was that the lateral friction has already developed. Do not use the mixed traffic condition formula. Kind request, okay? It is my kind request. Hanji. So, answer everybody. Full power. Come on. Upward, amazing, correct. So it will be upward, right? It will be upward. Here also it will go upward, FV1, and here also it will go upward, that is FV2. Shandar, amazing. So if I talk about the horizontal force, and कितना हो जाएगा? Rho G H1 A bar, right? Rho G H bar A, sorry, H bar A. हटाओ इसको. Right, and this is for the first one. Here we have a water, right? So can we put the values? 1000 into 9.81. H bar will be how much, everyone? Can you quickly let me know in the comment box? H bar will be how much? That would be 1. And area guys, rectangle हो जाएगा ये. How much? See, understand, length you don't even require. Why you don't require the length? First of all, because we have to get the ratio, anyways it is going to cancel out. So let's take it L, right? So area will be how much? 2 into L, that's it, right? And FH2 will be how much? It will be we are having specific gravity as 0.8, so 0.8 into 1000, this is the density of that oil, and rho G is 9.81 into H bar will be 0.5 this time, and the area will be how much? 1 into L. Set hai. Full power, guys. Okay, Atul is saying velocity in the super elevation was given as this much. Radius. Assume lateral friction has developed. Velocity is 80. Radius, how much was the radius? Quickly tell me. Hanji, have you got this thing? Radius. कलर चेंज कर दूं मैं? चलो मैं अभी कलर ले लेता हूं इसमें रेड, राइट? रेड विल बी बेटर. So this, and then you have to get the value of vertical forces. Vertical will be what, guys? Vertical will be rho GV, right? Rho GV. So that will be rho G or V. Density, let's take this one. So 1000 into 9.81, and now the volume, guys. Which volume we have to consider? Volume we have to consider this much, this and the backward one, right? So how much that will be? The volume will be how much, guys? This is a semicircle, right? So pi by 4 d square cut 2. So pi by 4 d square, this is the circle ka semicircle area, right? Into the length. Now this is the volume. Have you got this? Guys? Okay, I have got the value of radius as well. Come on. Okay. Can you please tell me, Anirban, what was that? All right. So, and FB2 will be how much? FB2 will be 0.8 into 1000 into 9.81 into, and now the 1/4 we have to consider, so that will be pi by 4 d square by 4 into L. So the eventual answer as per this particular question, I'll tell you quickly, it should be 0.72 if you go by this thing, right? That will be 0.72 if the question was this, right? Set, correct, full power. Amazing. 3/4. We just have to consider this much, everyone. Whoever is saying 3/4, understand, I have told this concept also. Remember, right? Clear? Full power. All right. Now the other question I'll be having in front of you is from open channel flow. Oh my god. Determine the ratio of hydraulic depth of most economical rectangular and triangular channel section. Everyone, quickly. Full power. With full power, can you quickly let me this? Okay, Anirban, I'll update that. Don't worry. Now determine the ratio of hydraulic depth of most economical rectangular channel and triangular channel section. First of all, try to understand, they're asking the ratio of hydraulic depth. Hydraulic mean depth nahi. What is the other name? Hydraulic mean depth is ghar ka naam. What is the school ka naam? Of hydraulic mean depth? Here they are asking hydraulic depth. Understand? Okay. Hanji, I have changed the color. Don't worry, guys. Just share the session with your friends. I hope they all are now at home. And you guys just remember, second shift students, enjoy the paper. Right? Do not make such mistake where you are not getting some questions and what you are doing is you are just losing your confidence. Anyways, you were not about to solve 65 questions here, right? Triangular by rectangular पूछा था. Is it? I'll tell you both, right? अगर वो पूछा था तो I'll tell you both also, right? So rectangular, I'll tell you here, rectangular by triangular also, and this will be again very easy cheesy. So guys, come on, tell me the value. Come on. Yes, hydraulic radius. Amazing. Hydraulic radius is your hydraulic mean depth. Here they are asking you the characteristic length. Come on guys, answer आ गया क्या अभी तक full power के साथ? Hanji, change, color is changed, everyone. So I'll tell you both the ones, a rectangular and triangular also, and the other way around as well, right? So first of all, if I go for the rectangular channel section, that is how much? That is Y, correct? Set, full power, Y, say yeah. Okay ji, rectangular is Y. What about triangle? Sir, for K आया आज तो क्या आया? Can you please tell me क्या आया? All right. Come on. How much? 0.7. 0.7. Okay. So yeah, that's the case, right? That's the case. अगर अपन लोग ऐसे निकालेंगे, then it will be 0.7. And as per some students, they are saying no, it reverse. They were asking. Reverse they're asking, right? So in reverse they're asking, then it is different. Okay. Then in that case, that will be different. ठीक है, फोड़ के आया एग्जाम, बहुत ही ज्यादा सही. Now quickly tell me in the comment box, guys, with full power, which subject you want next. Come on, in the comment box, आग लगा करके just tell us which subject do you want right away. FM and transportation easy था, पढ़ाया किसने था? हाँ जी, who taught you? Right? So anyways, it had to be easy, right? You people have done tremendous amount of hard work. You were there throughout our sessions. No matter which day it is, you are always there. No matter what time is it. When we are taking class at 12 AM, then also you are there. When we are doing the session at early morning, then you are also there. Yes, everyone, full power. Yes, Ninja is always here. Do not worry. Do not fear when Ninja is here. Come on. Don sir is also coming. Don't worry. Don sir is also coming. Environment, soil, apti, maths, super elevation wala question, dost. Okay, so some of the students are saying the super elevation question that the values which were given to us were radius was given as 250 meter and the velocity was given to us 80 kmph and the crux, the main thing was that friction has been developed. So we cannot go for the mixed traffic condition, because in mixed traffic condition, what we assume? Friction. The friction is given by God. He is giving us friction. We can't design it. Since we can't design it, we can't rely on it. We have to design our super elevation in such a manner that even if there is no friction, then also my vehicle should not skid out in the outer edge, right? So guys, in the question they have said F has been developed, and that time only you should have this thing in your mind that okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the formula V square upon 127R. So V is how much? 80. So 80 square over 127, and the radius as per you people is 250 meter. Go and get the answer. Do not fear about one thing, that sir, if it is going beyond E maximum or if it is coming less than E minimum, then what we have to do? You are not designing it. This is not a design. They have said it in the question that F has been developed. So game over, right? Transportation was easy. Who taught? Hanji. It has to be. I hope guys, whatever I have taught you, it helped you, right? Isn't it? Is there anyone who have attempted, like who has joined all the sessions taken by us, and just please tell us from heart, did it help you? Any kind of help did you get? Please tell. Full power. Come on. Right? Challenge accepted, and I don't know what. Okay, all right. Right. अच्छा, E plus F नहीं किया मैंने. अरे यार, सर मैं भी ना E plus F तो करना ही भूल गया भाई. Question में they have said F has been developed. My bad. No worries. 127R. Now you can do it, right? You have to subtract the friction also. That was 0.15. The maximum lateral friction is 0.15. Right? 0.15. Hanji, again, questions are coming. More questions are coming. Did our sessions helped you in any way? Because after every session, I have said this one thing, that I hope you have learned something new from this particular session, and I hope that this has helped you, right? So these were the questions from fluid mechanics and from transportation. More questions are coming from airport is also coming. Do not worry. आपको negative 1/3 भाई बस. This is what we can say, right? Sir, आपने डरा दिया था. I'm really sorry. Yes, paper was easy. It was kind of, you can say, moderate. The paper was moderate, even though they were asking the easy things, but they were not asking you like this. They were asking you like this. All right, you can see any question. See, directly they could have asked this question, right? But they have done what? This. Again, if I show you the transportation question, just give me a second. I'll quickly go take you through that, right? Give me a second, everybody. So if we go to that question, then also you will see in that particular thing that okay, just give me a second, everybody. We'll exit, we'll refresh, and we will present again. Don't worry. Hanji. So the thing which I was telling you, what they have done in this particular year, they were not giving you question like this. They were giving you the question like this. All right, everyone. Please do not worry about this one particular thing, that the limits. Okay, if you are worried about that. Okay, एक सेकेंड मैं आपको ना पहले तो वो दिखाऊं. अब भाई क्या मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी से अपना तो नाता ही टूट गया ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉब्लम? भाई मेरा तो बहुत ही खराब हाल है. टुडे ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस इफ माई रिमोट इज नॉट वर्किंग. सो गाइज, फुल पावर. Just tell us which subject you want. I hope exam is hard. See, multiple students will have multiple views about that, but if we have seen it, then we can say you can download the PDF after the session. And guys, do not worry. You don't have to write anything, because you will get the PDF after the session. Detailed solution you will get as soon as the session will end. You are going to get the PDF, right? राइट आज मैंने जो भी आंसर अटेम्प्ट किया वो ग्रेडअप की वजह से। सर थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग गाइस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर द वन हु वाज कमिंग टू अस रेगुलरली एंड जियोटेक्निकल इज कमिंग एंड this has helped you, right? So now Shubham, Hanji, mathematics. So guys, welcome with full power. Just write down, just give the heart in the comment box because we are having Ankit sir with us. Most awaited mathematics question we are having. Everybody just share the session because we are having the mathematics question. Please, aye sir, Ankit Joshi sir is here. Everyone, welcome with quick heart sign in the comment box. Full power and thank you so much.
गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो मैथमेटिक्स के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। आई होप एग्जाम्स अच्छा हुआ होगा। 130 आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ऑप्शंस शेयर कर सकते हैं। हमारे पास जितना डेटा हम कर पाए हैं उस डेटा के साथ बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन आपको प्रोवाइड करते हैं। सो 4-5 क्वेश्चन इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स के थे और सिविल के सेक्शन में बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चंस नजर आए हैं और वी विल बी डीलिंग विथ ऑल सॉल्यूशंस वन बाय वन। सो डोंट गो अवे, आपके सामने मैथमेटिक्स के क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं और इनका सॉल्यूशंस हम वन बाय वन प्रोवाइड करेंगे आपको। And in the comment box,
how's the level sir today for the mathematics?
Sir, in my 18 years of teaching, I found these are the easiest questions ever had in GATE examination.
These are the easiest, मतलब we were expecting a lot from this paper.
मैंने और राकेश सर ने मिलके जो मैराथन सेशन लिया था, ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसमें कुछ वैल्यू चेंज करके प्रोवाइड कर दिया डेटा।
मतलब only studying for 10 to 12 hours of the marathon session, then you crack all the questions.
रिफ्रेश कीजिए, रिफ्रेश
130 रिफ्रेश इट अगेन, रिफ्रेश इट अगेन,
एग्जिट कर दीजिए।
हाँ जी
आप उधर से कर दो।
सो बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चंस थे इस बार। एप्टीट्यूड के भी आ जाएंगे। शिवम भाई, कैसा हुआ आपका पेपर? हाउ वाज योर एग्जाम? बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन थे। एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन नजर आया हमको।
अगेन पलट के देख, हाँ आ गया
131 था। सो ये दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम लिमिट्स। आप देख पा रहे हैं दिस इज इंफिनिटी बाय इंफिनिटी, इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी फॉर्म। लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 1 अपॉन ln ऑफ x, log ऑफ x, log 1 और यहां पर आप देख रहे हैं 1 minus 1. सो दिस विल बी इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी फॉर्म. So I will give you the basic steps. Final answer first of all I will provide you because most of the students are waiting for the answer. Its final answer should be 1/2, that is 0.5. Yes, perfect, very good. So detailed solution will be provided in the PDF form. If at all you want, I will give you some basic steps. So whenever you get such type of questions, what we can do, we will be taking the LCM and making it 0/0 form. So जब आप इसका LCM लेंगे तो on the same limits it will become x minus 1 minus log x upon x minus 1 इंक चेंज कर लेते हैं. सो x माइनस 1 इंटू लॉग एक्स, दिस इज लॉग टू द बेस ई. आप देख पा रहे हैं कि नाउ दिस हैज रिड्यूस टू 0/0 फॉर्म. यस, so I already taught in my sessions, whenever you have infinity minus infinity form, you can convert the question by taking LCM into 0/0 form. And now you can apply L'Hospital's rule. what does L Hospital rule says? That you can take the derivative of the numerator and denominator. So once you apply L Hospital rule, you have to apply twice. Answer will be, Vijay Shankar, answer will be 1 by 2. Okay. So we'll be moving towards the next question. We applied L Hospital's rule. You have to apply L Hospital's rule twice. Sir, इसका next slide करना है.
नेक्स्ट ना यही है
जी सर,
यही है ना. चलिए चलिए ठीक है आपको.
So the next question is from trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule, here they have said that using 4 steps. So using 4 steps, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. बहुत सारे बच्चे आंसर का वेट कर रहे हैं. I just provide answer as 1.72. Here lower limit a equal to 0, upper limit b equals to 1. As we know that upper limit and lower limit are related by the relation b equal to a plus nh. So b equal to a plus nh. So n represents the number of intervals. (15 minutes, 10 minutes). Haji. Haji.
Okay. Everybody, please just listen. After this, I am coming with some questions. Okay, all some questions I am coming, and whatever the questions will be telling you, I think more than 95% questions will be telling you in coming few hours or few minutes, and all those links will be giving in the PDF. Okay, so you don't have to go anywhere else. In the description box, in the comment section, we'll giving the link, and in that link you will be giving PDF. And my friend, that's my promise to all of you that within few next minutes we'll be giving you more than 90% questions. All questions have been coming, and typing team is typing all the questions, and we are solving them regularly. Within next few minutes we'll be solving all the questions, guys, and you don't have to go anywhere else. Comment section में link रहेगा. You just have to go to the link and just get the accurate, complete results on the Gradeup Gate channel and Gradeup Civil Champions. So, okay, thank you. I'm coming after this for Zoom.
So we have got the values of h. H is 0.25. So x f of x is our e raised to x. So values of x 0 plus h is 0.25. Next value will be 0.5, then 0.75, and next will be 1. So f of x will be e raised to x. F of x is e raised to x. So e raised to 0 will be 1, e raised to 0.5, then e raised to 0.5, e raised to 0.75, and e raised to 1, that is e. So we have trapezoidal rule, integration from 0 to 1, e raised to x dx. Yes, this can be h by 2. First entry plus last entry. Let us number this: y0, y1, y2, y3, and y4. So first entry plus last entry, and 2 times the remaining entries: y1, y2, and y3. So substituting all these values, you will get 1.72 as the final answer, where h is 0.25. Yes. Apti will be done, each and every section will be done after this. Okay, yeah. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल वाज फ्रॉम मैट्रिक्स सेक्शन. एज यू कैन सी 2 मैट्रिक्स, बहुत ही सिंपल लड्डू क्वेश्चन है बिल्कुल. P is 1 2 3 4, Q is 0 1 1 0. You need to calculate Q transpose into P transpose. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. सो जस्ट अ मोमेंट. कहाँ चला गया? चलिए, so P and Q both are given. क्या हो सकता है यहां पर भैया? जस्ट अ मोमेंट. स्क्रीन
क्या करना सर?
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन पे राइटिंग एडिट कीजिए. सो हियर वी हैव Q ट्रांसपोज.
चल रहा
into P transpose.
Can I have a pen, please?
This can be written as PQ transpose. So 1 2 3 4 0 1 1 0. We can multiply these two matrices. Yes, and finally we have to take the transpose. So row into column, you will get 2, 0 plus 2, then 1, 3 into 0 plus 4 will be 4, and 3 into 1 will be 3. And finally we have to take the transpose. So you would have seen options. So 2 1 4 3 will be your answer. Next. Done. In this question, they have given us initial conditions. So it's an initial value problem. A differential equation is given. Higher order LD is given. So first of all, we'll be writing this in D form. D square plus 2D plus 1 into Y equal to 0. Y of 0 equal to 1. First of all, we'll write the CF. Just wait for 2 minutes. So here right hand side is 0. So Pi will be 0. complete solution will be only CF. Complete solution, as we know, it's denoted by dependent variable. So CF for this, roots will be real and equal. -1 will be the root, repeated twice. So independent variable is x. C1 plus C2x e raised to minus x. So this is the general solution. So when you will be applying these initial conditions, y of 0 equal to 1, you will be getting constant C1. And when you are applying initial condition y of 1 equal to 3, you will be getting the second solution. So y of 0 equal to 1. If we apply this, what we are getting? C1 plus x is 0. So ultimately we are getting the value of C1 equal to 1. Similarly, when we are applying y of 1 equal to 3, we will be getting C1 is already 1, x is 1, C2 unknown, e raised to minus 1. So we will be getting C2 equal to 3 upon e minus 1. So we are going to get particular solution finally. Y of x, C1 plus C2x. What is C1? C1 is 1. C2 is 3 upon e minus 1 into x, and outside this bracket we are having e raised to minus x. So in this question we are actually lacking with the data what we have to find finally. So you can put that particular value of x in order to get the answer. Okay, and in the comment box I am expecting you to provide what are the options given or what they want, what kind of solution they expected in the exam. Yes, Abhinav sir, एक पीछे क्वेश्चन और है, इसके पीछे.
Everybody, after this I am coming with some question and all questions have been come. Just guys, इसके पीछे
एक पीछे एक probability का simple question था. Just wait, hold on. इसके पीछे वाला है यहाँ से. So there was one more, a very simple question from probability. सर्दियों का टाइम है. 35% prefers tea, 45% prefers coffee, and 10% prefers both. So we have to find the percentage of people not preferring any of these, tea or coffee. So it's just a 10th standard level question. So if I denote the first event, the percentage of people preferring tea, so P of A will be 0.35. Percentage of people preferring coffee, let us say P of B is 45%, and percentage of people prefers both. Both means A intersection B. Chaliye, it is given as 0.1. So probability for A union B, that is A or B means tea or coffee. So this should be P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is law of addition of probability. So 0.35 plus 0.45 minus 0.1. So 0.8 minus 0.1 is 0.7. But we want anti-probability of this, that is preferring none of these. So in that case you have to take bar for this, that is complement of this. A union B complement. So that will be 1 minus 0.7. Final answer should be 0.3. So till now I have discussed 5 questions from GATE Civil 2021 forenoon session. So we are expecting questions from all the subjects to be appearing soon in front of you, and the complete solution of the complete solution of GATE 2021 civil, or in fact all the branches will be uploaded till evening. Okay, whatever sessions of GATE will be completed till evening. We'll be providing each and everything in PDF format in the same description link. So no need to go anywhere else. Everything should be provided. Everything will be provided by us. We are taking up the whole sole responsibility to give you the entire solution. Yeah, don't go away. Okay, so now Shubham sir will be joining you immediately, and in due course of time, 2 to 3 minutes later, Abhinav sir will be joining.
Yeah. So good afternoon everyone, and I hope you all enjoyed the mathematics questions, and according to the sir, we can see that these are some questions which are easy level, and we were expecting that the paper has to come easy to moderate, and as expected the paper is. So I think you have done very well and you are studying very well. So we have strength of materials question with us. But before we go with the strength of materials, I would like to introduce one question which has been asked. It is from building materials and concrete technology, and it is a very simple question. You guys can answer very easily. You can answer it very easily. So shall I open the question for you guys? Okay, let me open the question. Okay, let me open the question for you. And this is the question. If I see the question has been asked from the building materials, and it is from the first topic we study in the building materials, that is from cement. As they have asked the question, gypsum is added in concrete mixture for. Okay? Gypsum is added in the concrete mixture for enhancing the strength, increasing the workability, heat of hydration, or preventing the you can say prevent quick setting time. So the question is very easy and you can answer it. As we can see, the gypsum was added to the cement. Gypsum was added to the cement in the form of calcium sulfate. Yes or no? It was added in the cement in the form of calcium sulfate to the cement clinkers. To the cement clinkers it was added. Cement clinkers, you know. So cement clinkers it was added so that what was the problem? Problem was that the cement was losing plasticity at a very higher rate. So we added calcium sulfate in the form of gypsum so that we can retard the hydration process. We can retard the hydration process in the cement, and basically we can say in the cement concrete. So basically what it will do, it will retard the cement process, hydration process, due to which the setting time of the cement will be delayed to prevent quick setting. So you can say quick setting will be prevented. So the question is very easy, and they have given a very easy question as we expected. The question is very easy. Now we can have some questions on strength of material, and we can have questions on environmental. So do you need questions on environmental first? We have the solutions for the environment as well as from the structure part also, and from the strength of materials part also. So I need comment in the comment section that you need the solutions for environmental first, or it has to be from the strength of materials. Please, sir is joining us. Okay.
Hello guys.
So welcome sir. And this is the mic.
हेलो गाइस, हाउस द जोश? जैसे सर अभिनव सर बोलते हैं जी, है ना? अरे माइक क्यों नहीं सही चल रहा है? वेट अ मिनट. So guys, I will discuss the environmental engineering part. So we have 4 questions right now because some of the questions are not available right now, guys.
And one more information. Actually, I want to convey the students.
Okay. You can convey it.
Yeah. Actually, we have a good reason to tell you.
Where is the comment part?
That many of the students have cracked the GATE examination with Gradeup last year. So on demand, we have created something for them. Question number 132. Okay, this was this. So this year we are going to launch Vision 2022 for you guys. The course for ESE and GATE preparation. The students who are preparing for GATE and ESE, जो students GATE और ESE के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए हमने ESE और GATE aspirants के लिए 950 hours की live classes with 10,000 practice questions and 100 plus mock tests with 120 chapter wise study notes हमने launch कर दिया आप लोगों के लिए. You can join it, as well as one more thing which is very interesting for you guys is we have also brought something very big for you, that is workbook for GATE 2021 and 2022. So those who are preparing for GATE 2022, they can have this workbook. If you have the super subscription of Gradeup for the GATE, you will have the classes as well as the workbook with you for all these subjects: engineering, mechanics, transportation, engineering, construction materials. Up till now, what was happening? Okay, in this workbook you will be having the level wise questions with you. Up till now, what was happening was that you are preparing very well, but there was a problem that whenever you want to practice the questions, there was no workbook with you. So we have created the workbook so that you can practice very well, you can do your preparations very well. In the classes, in the vision, you will study it very well, then you will practice the questions from the workbook. And this workbook will be also available to you through many mediums. We will announce it soon, but this is the very challenging job we have done, and all the faculties are very उसको बहुत प्रिपेयर करने में बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि आप इसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे. आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू. यस सर.
Okay guys, so I think the paper was moderate right now, so we can say that guys we have a moderate questions in our GATE examination for the environmental engineering also. But I have 4 questions for you guys right now, which is completely given by the students, and it totally depend upon the memory, right? So guys, whatever solutions are there, I will discuss with you, and I will show you the concept also, so that it may be possible you may get the questions with related to these topic, then definitely you are able to solve in the evening session also. Okay, so I will assure you that guys, I will clear your concept also over here, so be ready. Okay, चलिए जी देख लेते हैं कौन से क्वेश्चन थे यहाँ पे. ओके तो आते हैं भाई स्लाइड नंबर. अरे जी कहाँ चले गया. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द स्मार्ट बोर्ड फर्स्ट टाइम गाइस. सर कैन यू शिफ्ट द स्लाइड. इसको स्लाइड को शिफ्ट कर देना. 27th पे ले आओ यार. ये नीचे क्यों नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है. अगेन इट इज ड्रॉपिंग. Twenty-seven. Yes guys, this is the first question. Now it is totally based upon what? You have to find the volatile solid concentration over here, right? And this is the question which I have discussed most of the time in my classes, like free session also as well as the paid session also guys. So guys, definitely you will able to solve such type of problem. Now what is given to us? You can see here 50 ml volume is given to us guys. 50 ml is the volume of your water sample. Let us suppose we have a volume of water, right? That is equal to how much? 50 ml. Okay sir. Now this is the container guys in which I put such amount of water, that is your 50 ml. Now as per the sample guys, we have a empty weight. This is not empty यार, empty लिख दिया देखो. Empty weight of crucible is 54.352 gram, right? So let us suppose if we have a crucible over here whose weight is equal to how much? Let us consider this is one is W dash, and it is equal to how much? 54.352 gram. This is given to us guys. Now what happened? This particular sample is poured into this crucible. Okay, now after 100 degrees centigrade, the weight of crucible plus amount of solid which are present in this particular crucible guys, that particular weight is equal to how much? That is equal to 55.129 gram. Let us suppose this one is W1. So can I say that this one is 55.129 gram, right? So guys, what happened in this particular sample? Can I say that this is the weight of crucible plus weight of weight of non-volatile solid, right, plus weight of volatile solid also, है ना जी, volatile solid also, right? So in this particular crucible we have three things: weight of container or weight of crucible plus weight of non-volatile plus weight of volatile solid. Now guys, after 500 degrees centigrade, our weight is 54.783 gram, right? So it means if you put this particular sample in the muffle furnace, so the weight of the crucible will become how much? Crucible, that is weight of crucible plus weight of non-volatile solid is equal to how much? It is given to us, guys, that is 54.783 gram, right? Okay sir, now this is the data which is given to us. Now what we have to find over here? अब हमें find क्या करना है जी? We have to find the concentration of volatile solid over here. How we can find it? It is very easy. You know that, guys, this particular weight is nothing as our W2. You can subtract these two weight so that we are able to find out the weight of what? Volatile solid जी. Weight of volatile solid. ये थोड़ा सा भाई नया मेरे लिए, इसलिए थोड़ा सा हाँ वही हाथ से टच हो गया इसलिए. Okay. So guys, what we have to find over here? The weight of volatile solid. So can I write it? This is W2 minus W1. Wait a second. Can I write it, guys? This one is W1 minus W2. It is equal to how much? This is given to us, guys, which is 54.783 minus how much? This one कितना है भाई ये जी? 55.129 minus this one, right? Minus this one, which is 783. Okay, so this is the weight of volatile solid, guys. This is the weight of volatile solid. Now how much it is? If we divide this particular value, guys, with our 50 ml, so we have to convert this 50 ml into the liter, so we have to divide it by 1000, right? So it will be converted into what? Gram per liter, and again we have to multiply with the 10 raised to power 3, then we are able to find out the concentration in milligram per liter. So it is equal to 6920 milligram per liter. This is the right answer, guys, which we have got, right? And it is totally based on the student memory, and whatever data we have, guys, it is totally depend upon the students, right? So this is the correct answer for if we have such type of data in our examination. ठीक है जी? Next question. How we can take it? Next question कैसे आएगा जी? Now this is the next question, guys, which is based on the theory part, right? Now again it is a memory based. Now I think this particular data is more relevant to this particular option also. So guys, we have a one graph over here with respect to the NH4 positive and NH3, right? Ammonium ion and ammonia, right? We have two things. Now these are the four statements, out of which we have to put one correct option over here. Now let's first understand the graph over here, right? This is the graph which is given to us, and please remember, guys, this is the graph which I have put over here. This is not given in the examination, right? This is not given in the examination. Please remember this graph. It may be possible you will get the question from this graph itself. हो सकता है भाई इवनिंग में वापस से मिल जाए, ठीक है जी, इवनिंग में वापस से मिल जाए. So please remember this graph and take a screenshot of it. जल्दी से भाई इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, मैंने आप लोगों के लिए पुट कर दिया है, right? Now guys, you can see here, this one is pH over here, and this one is percentage NH4 positive, and this one is percentage NH3, right? Do not read any statement over here. First, let's understand this graph. पहले ये ग्राफ को समझ लीजिए जी, आपको कंसेप्ट समझ में आ जाएगा, right? Now listen carefully, guys. If we move in this direction, our pH will try to increase over here. And if we move in this direction, the concentration of NH4 positive will try to increase over here. Similarly, guys, if we move in this direction, then our percentage ammonia will try to increase over here. Now you can see here, guys, if we move in this direction, that is your pH is increasing. Our graph for ammonia ion, this one is ammonia. अरे यार कलर चेंज करो इसका जी, कलर चेंज No. हो गया. Okay guys, now you can see here this one is ammonia, NH3. Now your ammonia concentration will try to increase with respect to pH. If you increase the pH, then our ammonia ion will try to increase over here. It means if we pH increase, then ammonia will try to increase. Okay sir. Now let us suppose if we move in this direction guys, in this direction, it means our pH will try to decrease over here. Then our graph for NH4 positive, this one, NH4 positive will try to increase. It means if we try to decrease the pH, then NH4 positive will try to increase. This is the concept, right? This is the concept guys. ठीक है जी. अब आते हैं ऑप्शन पे. Let's check the option over here. You can see guys, if pH is equal to 7, then the concentration of NH4 positive and NH3 are same. No, it is not. This one is the wrong option over here. Why? Because you can see here guys, this particular concentration is matching at a pH of 9.25. Please remember this pH. At 9.25, the concentration of NH4 positive and NH3 are same, right? So it means this option is incorrect. Next one, if pH is equal to 7, then NH3 plus dominant. Listen carefully guys, you can see here, if pH is equal to 7, then NH3 positive is dominating. No guys, you can see here, if we increase the pH, then only NH3 concentration will try to increase, right? By इसी के कारण concentration increase होगा. But at this particular pH, you can see here, this is the graph guys. ये आपका graph है. This is the NH3. This is the NH3. At pH is equal to 7, the NH3 concentration is very, very less. And how much it is? It is almost, we can say that approximately 0 to 5 or 0 to 10% only guys, right? So again, this statement is wrong. ये भी गलत हो गया. Let's understand the next one. If pH below 9.25, then NH4 positive is dominant. Let's understand. If your pH is decreasing, then NH4 positive is increasing. Definitely, this is our point, which is 9.25 pH. If we move in this direction, guys, our NH4 positive ion will try to increase over here. है ना जी? So you can say that, guys, if pH is below 9.25, then NH4 positive is dominating. Yes, it is, and this one is correct answer. This one is correct answer. ठीक है? Next one, if pH above 9.25, then NH4, this is not NH4, this is NH3. If pH above, wait a minute guys, let me check the option over here. If pH above 9.25, then NH4 is dominating. Again, it is written over here. This is already student-based, memory-based question, guys. So definitely we have to remember this graph to solve this one, right? So guys, if you can see here, if the pH above 9.25, then the NH4 positive ion concentration is dominating. No, it is not like that, guys, because you know that if pH is less than 9.25, then only the concentration of NH4 positive is dominating. So correct option is what? C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, which is based on Ampian, guys. Which is based on Ampian. So remember this one, guys. The student will not able to remember the table as well as the dimension, but I will tell you a short trick over here with respect to the Ampian. देखो जी, Ampian का एक क्वेश्चन था, मगर उसके कंसेप्ट को यानी उसके जो न्यूमेरिकल डेटा है, you know that the numerical data is very very lengthy and it is not possible to remember all the data, right? So guys, I will tell you the concept behind it and it is a very very easy as well as a short trick over here. मैं एक short trick बताने जा रहा हूं, just remember it and definitely you are able to solve such type of problem. ठीक है? हो सकता है शाम को भी आपको क्वेश्चन मिल जाए. And please remember this concept. One formula is there, guys, which is developed by me. ये मैंने फॉर्मूला खुद ने डेवलप करा है. यू विल नॉट गेट दी फॉर्मूला इन एनी टाइप ऑफ बुक. कोई भी बुक में नहीं मिलेगा जी, कोई बुक में कहीं नहीं लिखा है, ये मैंने डेवलप करा है. ध्यान सुन लीजिए क्या है. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला. एम्पियन, इसको लिखेंगे जी करेक्टेड एम्पियन. करेक्टेड एम्पियन, दैट इज योर नंबर ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म पर 100 ml, राइट? इट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? इट इज इक्वल टू एम्पियन
per 100 ml divided by our sample size. I will tell you the concept behind it also. Our sample size and table sample size. This is the formula guys which I have developed myself. ये मैंने डेवलप कर दिया एक बेसिक सा फॉर्मूला. प्लीज रिमेंबर इट एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है जी. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड इट. अब मैं इसके पीछे एक कंसेप्ट बता देता हूं. देखिए जी, आपके पास एक स्टैंडर्ड टेबल होती है. बहुत ध्यान सुनिएगा जिचू. यहां पे आपके पास एक स्टैंडर्ड टेबल होती है एंड इन स्टैंडर्ड टेबल यू हैव 10 ml सैंपल, 1 ml sample, 0.1 ml sample, right? Now let us suppose guys, if you have 5 tube of each, 5 ट्यूब तीनों का प्रेजेंट है जी, 5 ट्यूब तीनों का प्रेजेंट है. So guys, we have to check how many tubes are positive, giving the positive result over here. कितनी ट्यूब्स ऐसी हैं जो पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आपको दे रही है ना जी? आपको वो काउंट करना है. पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट दे रही है. लेट अस सपोज गाइस, लेट अस सपोज मान लीजिए ये आपके पास 3 है, ये 2 है, ये 1 है. ठीक है जी. मान लीजिए ये पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट है. नाउ दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड टेबल गाइस एंड इन दिस स्टैंडर्ड टेबल वी हैव अ रिजल्ट ओवर हियर व्हिच इज आवर एमपीएन वैल्यू पर 100 ml. थोड़ा ज्यादा कोने में हो गया, मैं यहां लिख देता हूं बच्चों. एमपीएन वैल्यू पर 100 ml यहां पे देख लीजिएगा, है ना? एमपीएन वैल्यू पर 100 ml. नाउ गाइस डेफिनेटली यू हैव रिजल्ट ओवर हियर लाइक 10, 12, 20, 30 एंड सो ऑन. ऐसा होगा जी, है ना? This is the basic idea. So what you have to do guys, this is our standard table. This is our standard table. Now let us suppose in the examination they have given the sample size like 100 ml, 10 ml and 1 ml, right? Now this is the our sample size on which we are testing the MPN test over here. ठीक है जी. Now let us suppose if we have a positive test result like 3, 2, 1. And in this base we have to find the MPN value. हमको यहाँ पे MPN value find करना है जी. यहाँ पे क्या find करना है? MPN find करना है. Now guys, what we have to do? It is a very very simple thing. Just you have to check what is the combination of positive tubes over here. 3 to 1. Okay. This is 3 to 1. Okay. Now at this particular combination we have a MPN value of 10. Okay sir. Now we have to put 10 over here guys. This one is 10. Now what is our sample size? It is 100. As per the question or as per the standard table, what is the standard table sample size? That is your 10. So what we have to write over here? This is our 10, which is MPN. MPN divided by our sample size. Our sample size is what? 100. And the table sample size, standard table sample size is 10. Right? Just cancel it. You will get the answer as a 1 MPN per 100 ml. Right? Understood? Similarly, let us suppose guys, if we have a sample like 1 ml, 0.1 ml, 0.01 ml. है ना जी. एंड अगेन वी हैव 3 to 1. 3 to 1 हमारे पास वापस से प्रेजेंट है. सो अगेन व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड ओवर हियर, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एमपीएन, करेक्टेड एमपीएन. क्या फाइंड करना है जी? करेक्टेड एमपीएन फाइंड करना है ना? करेक्टेड एमपीएन फाइंड करना है. आप देखो वापस से यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है आपके पास? 10 है. मान लीजिए 10 है. व्हाट इज अवर सैंपल साइज? अवर सैंपल साइज इज व्हाट? अवर सैंपल साइज इज 1 ml. ओके, 1 ml डिवाइडेड बाय टेबल सैंपल साइज, दैट इज 10. Right? So again guys we have to write 100 MPN per 100 ml. ठीक है? ये ब्रह्मास्त्र है जी. ये कहीं बुक में नहीं लिखा, ये मैंने लिखा है. ठीक है? ये 8 साल का एक्सपीरियंस बोलता है, उसके बाद ये फॉर्मूला डेवलप करा है. आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है? उलझते रहोगे इस कंसेप्ट के अंदर. बस इसको ध्यान रख लो, ये शाम में यूज आ सकता है. ठीक है? प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay. Now the next. अरे जी. Next question, guys. Which of the following statement are true? ये 4 statement दिए हुए थे. These 4 statement is given to us, guys. And which one is the following? Which one is the correct option over here? So as you know that, guys, combustion is what? Combustion is your exothermic process, but it is in the presence of abundant supply of oxygen, right? Abundant supply में होता है जी. But it is written over here, combustion is endothermic. Which one is wrong? Combustion is exothermic. It is exothermic, but it is in the presence of abundant supply of oxygen. Again, this one is wrong. Okay. Next one, pyrolysis is endothermic process which occur in the presence of oxygen. Yes, it may be correct because you know that, guys. Pyrolysis is an endothermic process in which we are trying to convert the product into the charcoal or coal-like product, right, in the limited supply of oxygen. So we can say that, guys, third option is correct over here, right? Pyrolysis is exothermic process which occur in the absence of oxygen. Again, it is a wrong one. ठीक है, ये भी गलत है. Okay, so these are the 4 questions, guys, which we have to discuss right now for the environmental engineering. अभी और भी क्वेश्चन है, और एक चीज और यार मालूम है, एक ट्रस्ट का क्वेश्चन था मैकेनिक्स पे, आई थिंक सो वो अंसारी सर ने डिस्कस कर लिया, आई थिंक सो. आई हैव यू वांट टू डिस्कस? ओके, आपने डिस्कस कर लिया है ट्रस्ट वाला? एक और है ट्रस्ट का ही है. ओके ओके. So I think there's one question, guys, with respect to the trust. So definitely it will be discussed by the Ansari sir. And guys, we have some more question with respect to the environmental engineering part also. So I will discuss it later on, because these are the questions which I got, guys, from the student itself. And definitely I will try to manage some more questions so that we will able to discuss with you the detailed solution of such type of questions, so that it will be more beneficial for your examination, like in evening session. Okay. So I think Ansari sir. So let me tell you one thing more, guys. Let me tell you one thing more.
Hello everyone. So just quickly, very, I will not take much time. And especially Manasachi, you have asked one question from surveying that already I have discussed. That question. Please go back and you'll see that finding out of the bearing of RS already I have given. I think I remember that answer value also 192 degree. 172. There was a question from airport. I would like to discuss. He gave me that number only.
On the purchase of Gradeup Super. आज ही Gradeup Super के साथ अपनी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन शुरू करें with live interactive courses and mock tests designed by the best faculty and experts, 24/7 doubt resolution and best study material. इसके साथ ही पाए exciting prizes जीतने का मौका. तो फिर देर किस बात की? आज ही Gradeup Super को सब्सक्राइब करें.
रिफ्रेश करना होगा मुझे लगता है. यहीं से देखिए तो एयरपोर्ट का वो ऐसे टेबल बना हुआ होगा. 172 टेबल है उसमें. 172. हाँ, उसने मुझे वही नंबर बोला है. Okay guys, this was the question there. Calculate the effective gradient. Can you see that? Very easy. Whenever I took that airport engineering, I told you whenever they are going to ask effective gradient, how to calculate the effective gradient. So different gradients are given, right? Different gradients are given. Just a minute. Different gradients are given here. Okay, now to calculate the effective gradient, what you have to do, see 0 to 300, what will be the rise here? 3.6 plus, right? 300 to 600, what is the rise or fall? That is for the 300 minus 0.7% means in 100 meter it was right. In 100 meter it is 0.7 down, so it will go down by minus 2.1. Then 600 to 1100, that is for 500. 500 means 8 5 are 40, so it will be 4 meter up. Did you get that? Rise. Then for 1100 to 1400, that is for 300, right? For the 300 it will be once again minus 2.4, and from 1400 to 1700 it will be 300. So 1400 to 1700 it will be 300, and for 300 it will be minus of 3. So altogether, if you see, suppose 100 was the initial RL, so final RL you will be getting 100.1. So there is a rise for the complete stretch of 1700. For the complete stretch of 1700, rise is 0.1 For 1700, the rise is 0.1. So total final effective gradient will become now 0.0058. That's all, finished. That will be your effective gradient. For the whole stretch, for the complete stretch, what is your gradient? That is what. So if you remember, I always used to tell everybody that you calculate the actual initial RL and the final RL, and between the initial and final RL, whatever the the difference you are getting divided by total length will give you the effective gradient. Now another problem was there in your structure. Another problem was there in structure. That was just a second. I'll discuss that also. ये one it's 161. 61. No, only 61. That's all. So this question was there for the structure, and for this question, believe me guys, P was acting here, P was acting here, and the question was, what will be the displacement at G? What will be the displacement, horizontal displacement at G? Now, to get the horizontal displacement at G, it was a truss problem. Now, for the truss, what you have to do? See, after seeing this, one can say easily that there will be no joint displacement at G. But still, if you want to find it out, check it out. These two are in a one line. That force P and the force Fg are in one line. So this will be zero member force. So you can directly say that the force is acting at this location F. So actually, if you will come to the G, come to the position G, how you will calculate the joint displacement? Here also you will be having the same, right? So this is the displacement problem, which was very easy for 1 marks only. That's all. And over to Anirudh sir.
Okay. So guys, Anirudh sir will be doing some questions of soil and steel. Okay, and we all know that you want solutions. Okay, detailed explanation will be given in PDF. So we are focusing on quick solutions so that you can just relate to what you have opted if you have already given. So keep your Josh high, guys. Okay, and then I'm coming also with some questions. Okay, I have solved them earlier, but the people are coming, and then I will be coming also. And over to Anirudh sir, he will be giving you quick solutions. Then I will be again giving you quick solutions of SOM and one question of RCC, trapezoidal footing. Okay, sir, continue.
Let's slide number either 80, 81. फिर 82 जाओ 81 में तो बोला गजब हाँ चलो वो दो शिफ्ट हो गया. So welcome everybody. How was your exam more? जल्दी बता दीजिए. Quickly hit the like button, share this session with everybody. And highest weightage topic as expected, that is geotechnical engineering, jahan se 6 questions. You have already got 6 questions as usual. The first question was like this actually. There are 2 things actually given like this, if I'm not wrong, as far as I have received from the students. The figure that was like actually which was given like this, if I'm not wrong. So here I think there are 2 things like this actually, and whatever the angles and stuffs which were given, okay, fine. The difference head was given as 20 meter, right? This was 30 meter. Okay, this was 30 and this was 10. So this is going to be say 20 meter. Fine. And the length was given I think as 2 kilometer. Okay, whatever be the length of the floor, right? Whatever be the angle, doesn't matter at all. Doesn't matter at all. So it's just going to be 2 kilometer, boss. So they are asking you what is the time taken. What is the actually time taken? They have only asked you that thing. What is the time taken to cover 2 kilometer, right? So what is actually this thing? You have to calculate what the actual velocity with which it was moving. Actual velocity is this one, right? Vs. Or you can say that discharge velocity by n. N was given as 0.3. Discharge velocity that you can get at k into I. K into I sir, K into I divided by N, that is 0.3. K का मतलब क्या है सर? Everybody knows 25 meter per day. I का मतलब क्या है सर? I का मतलब क्या है सर? It's head lost per unit length. Head lost is 20 meter, unit length is this one. So sir, what is this? That is 20 by 2000 by 0.3. Whatever be the answer, right? It's going to be like that, sir. This is the velocity. This is the actual velocity that you can find out. And right now from here, what is the time taken? Time taken is simply the time taken में distance क्या है sir? It's simply distance by the time. Distance is what sir? Distance is 2 kilometer, 2000 meter by this thing. 25 into 20 by 2000 divided by 0.3. So it's going to be something like this. So this will go up and whatever the answer is going to be. So according to me, I think it's going to be 2400 days or something like that, right sir? Whatever be it sir, it's inclined at 10 degree, 15 degree. That is just given to confuse you and nothing else, sir. Quickly hit the like button and share the session with everybody, right sir? Okay, moving over to the next question. Okay, fine. Next question was given something like that, I think, right? So which was given, as far as I have obtained the question, which was like this was given actually in the question, and this was given as 2500 kilonewton per meter, if I am not wrong. 2500 kilonewton per meter, and this distance was given as 10 meter, right? So factor of safety was asked, sir. Factor of safety was asked, right? So sir, factor of safety was asked, sir, right? So factor of safety means what, sir? It's the overturning, the resisting moment. मैं बोला था factor of safety is always the hero by villain. तो hero कौन है सर यहाँ पे? Hero कौन है सर? The resisting moment. Resist कौन कर रहा है सर? The this thing. I think this was given as 75 kilopascal, right? 75 kilopascal, I think, right? So 75 kilopascal. This was 2500 kilonewton per meter. So 75 kilopascal was the hero, right? तो सर यहाँ पे आपने जो ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट, व्हाट वाज द ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट सर? दिस वाज 2500 into 10. ये इसको टॉपल करवाना चाहता है सर. सो इट्स 2500 into 10. दिस इज द ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट. दिस इज द विलन. हीरो कौन है सर? हु इज द हीरो? हीरो इज द स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, सो द पॉइंट इज दैट इट्स 75. Okay, what was that? 2500 into 10. So something like that. And what is the resisting moment? The resisting moment was given over here. That is U is 75 kilopascal. So that is going to be the hero. 75 into this particular length. That is the force, because they have told 75 kilonewton per meter, right sir? 75 kilonewton per meter into this particular thing. Actually there is a distance. So force into lever arm, that is the moment, right? So the force is actually 75 per meter. So this was the length. So sir, per meter length, what is the force? It's 2 pi r by 360 into r. Right sir, this is the angle, right? This is the length. Everybody knows sir, this, if this is radius is 25, this is 60 degrees, so this is r into theta, right? But theta is in radian, so basically 25 into pi by 180 into 60. This is the total length, right sir? This length you have to put to get the resisting moment. So this is the resisting moment, this is the overturning moment. Overturning moment is this one, resisting moment is this one. Just do the ratio, resisting by overturning, and you are going to get an answer, I think close to 1.96 or something like that. Okay sir, you are going to get an answer close to 1.96 or something like that. So be careful regarding this. Coming over to the next question, man. Coming over to the next question. So they had asked you to find out the correct relationship. I think there are 4 options were given. Correct relationships was actually as quickly hit the like button, boss, and share the session with everybody. Right, sir? And the point was that I think it was given that show the correct relationship in between the volumetric strain and the axial strain. Axial strain was something like that. Okay, so what was this actually? Right, so it was, I think, axial stress. So this is the curve for the OCS and this is the curve for the NCS. NCS is for this one and this for the OCS, right? So this kind of thing actually they have, I think, asked that this is the correct relation. I didn't get the actual question from the many people, but sir, I think this is the correct question which is being asked over here. Next question is up on your screen. Next question is something like this. OCR is asked actually, sir. What is that, sir? OCR. Quickly hit the like button and share the session with everybody. Right. Share the session with everybody. Aptitude ho gaya, sir. Aptitude ho gaya. Okay, but wait. Just wait for us, few minutes. Avinav sir is coming with the SOM questions also. What is the OCR? They have asked. OCR means what, sir? मैंने बताया था over consolidation ratio. Okay, over consolidation ratio, sir. Over consolidation ratio means what? Over consolidation ratio means it's x by present. मैंने बोला था ना, x by present भाई. जो तुम्हारा x है, तुम्हारा नहीं मतलब soil का, समझ रहे हो? जो x है by present है, something like that, right? So, sir, the answer that I actually you are going to receive is over here. Very simple. I'm just sharing you what is the point, what is the answer over here. That is the middle they are asking. So actually they have given something like this. Okay, the question, the clay layer was 8 meter, so they wanted the thing at the center of the clay layer. At the center of the clay layer they have asked. Center of the clay layer means actually over here. This was the clay layer. So sir, initially the water table was here, past water table 10 meter below ground level. So initially the water table was here. Okay, and finally the water table is here. So what is the past by present, sir? That is the point, right, sir? What is the past by present? Past applied effective stress by present applied effective stress. Quickly hit the like button and share the session with everybody, man.